Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Well, we've seen the bottom of the market. Some people are still saying, no, we haven't. They still want to be doom and gloom and pessimistic. Well, my portfolio has 100% bottomed, and I'll be eating my own words if I've not got that right. So we will see. Here we are today. We're up again. We were up over 10% yesterday. We were at 20% last week. We dropped it back a bit. We're now already up 1%. We had that usual curve in the morning. That's all the naysayers. That's all the traders selling out their positions and buying up. So this is the time to be in the market. I'm already in. You never chase a stock. You don't chase green days. You chase red days. That's what I've been doing. I spoke to Ed Nevius last night. After hours, he called me up. Of course, he had a tragic day yesterday with a member of his family taking their own lives. Awful. And thank you for all your support. Thank you for everyone's support that supported him yesterday, offered your love into for Ed yesterday. The family are going through very, very difficult times at the moment. All right. Let's go straight into our trades right now. You can see we are up 0.94 right now. Let me go and see who's in. I've got a big audience over on TikTok as well. Good morning to all of you. Thanks for joining me. If my moderators could protect the channel over there, it's always good. Right, let's get straight into it. Let's do it. What a day we've got lined up. We've got cash giveaway tomorrow. 2 cash giveaways tomorrow. 2. So we've got a very big day tomorrow. Plus, we've got Alex Agut on our show as well. Fantastic. Let's have a quick look at some information just breaking now. Here we go. As you can see, S&P futures up 0.39, the euro to the dollar. We just lost that, then we'll come back to that, but it was just there a second ago. We're at 1.07 now, and it's increasing as we go. So looking good. US October, correct. Core PCA price rose. Personal income rises 0.7. That's not good. No, nothing's perfect. There are some negative signs on the market. Of course there are. But that's the general economy. The market is not the economy. Remember, the market is not the economy. Musk gets EU warning to keep Putin propaganda off Twitter. There we go. That's just broken. I've just shared that with you. All right. Let's go through all our positions, see what's hot, see what's not. We're at 1.23. Virgin Orbit, I've got news. Flights are now scheduled for December. Been delayed again. No surprise. That's how the markets, that's how a rocket company goes. Let's bring all our guests in. ETORO, let's see how things will go today. Yes, says Mike. Martin, overslept? No, I was here. What do you mean, Mal? Could you oversleep? I'm here. I'm always here. Sorry to hear about Ed. Yes, it was a tragic day yesterday. Yes, all the best to Ed. There we go from Mal. Morning, family. Good morning, morning. Mark Korn, thank you for your wonderful message as well. I appreciate that, and I appreciate all the personal messages I received yesterday. Makes my pain seem trivial. It's very, very important to bring it into context, yes. Running diary, hi all. Okay, let's get straight into our portfolio. As you can see, we're at 1.21. Now, listen, let's get one thing straight. The markets aren't going to go straight up over the next month, 3 months. Yes, they're going to go up dramatically. But let's get one thing straight, right? It's very, very important to remember that the stock market, when you're looking at it minute by minute, hour by hour, it's not a straight line curve. Futures, it's up 0.55. NASDAQ, oh, I keep losing it. Why do I keep coming in at the wrong time? I keep getting some great information on the screen, and then we end up losing it. Anyway, I'll keep my eye on it. Right, let's get ready. Let's go through and see where we are. The S&P 500 is up to date. It's very important to have a stable part of your portfolio. I took a great... Oh, Nappyhead TV, thank you so much indeed for still being a subscriber to our channel. Thank you so much indeed. Any way at all I can promote your channel, I appreciate your support, and I want to do everything I can to support you too. What was I going to say? Ed Nevius paid me a wonderful compliment. It was very kind of him. He called me up yesterday. He said, you're managing your portfolio like Warren Buffett, which was a wonderful honour. Anyway, we had a wonderful conversation last night. Virgin Galactic is up 0.5% today. Virgin Orbit flights are shelled for December. Of course, we are now in December. Tesla is up today 197, 144, breaking through 200 again, which in old money is about $600 a share. So we're still down on it. I'm still down 12%. I haven't sold. I'm holding. I've added to my position. So overall, I've lowered my average, but I'm not buying it now. I bought it at 170. I was trying to buy it at 160. Rivian is up today 1.21. 16% up now. Lucid is up 0.59 today. Arrival is up 3.83 today. Remember, their percentages will go up quite a lot at the moment. They could be up 100% a day. It wouldn't make much difference, would it? Amazon is up 0.28. Apple is up 0.41. Robinhood is down but rising again. McDonald's is down 0.12. Coca-Cola is down 0.33. J&J is flat right now. Google is up 0.51. Remember I said the high-tech risk stocks will be the ones that will bounce back quickest. Martin, do you know how many small or micro caps you have? Well, I can share with you my entire portfolio, and then you can see yourself. I need Apple to go over 151. Let's have a look. Why do you need it to go over 151? What's the reason you need it? Is that to break even? Yeah, I'm 152. I'm 152. Anyway, Microsoft is up 0.04. Meta is up 0.68. SoFi is up 1.24. Great, a digital bank. Break even, yeah. I thought that's what you meant. IonQ 0.39. Walmart is down 0.28. Target is down 0.41. Tesco is down 1.32. Canoe, any news from Virgin Galactic? Virgin Galactic, I've got news from Virgin Orbit. They're going to fly in December. I checked the flights, the rocket launches for December, and they're launching in December. Haven't given a date yet, but I will have it the moment it's published. I will release it to you. Virgin Galactic still hiring. They've just done a deal. Did you see my 1,000 flights? I don't think you've seen that, have you? You've not been here for a few days, Best Soft. Let me scroll down to here then and give you the information about the 1,000 flights. Here we go. Yes, it was this video here. Okay, I don't think you've seen this video, so let me give this to you now. 1,000 flights. All right, here we go. I'll give this to you. I don't know if you've watched this one yet. There you go, Best Soft. Go and have a look at that. So there's some information on the longevity, the forward thinking of Virgin Galactic, where they're going, and all the rest of it. Morning, me lover. All right, Andrew Grady, my booty. How are you, mate? How are you? All right, let's have a quick glass of water. Best Soft, you're very, very welcome. You need to be a member here. I've been saying 95% of our live viewers are members. It's more like 99% now. Become a member. There are so many benefits and perks. I can review stocks, send stocks information to you. The list goes on and on and on. It's designed to help you. That's why everyone's a member. And we've got our first gold badge member any day now. In December, we launched our program. It's a year old this month. Many of you are going to be gold members this month. A lot of you joined on the first day we did it. So there you go. Nicky Boy Game. Hey, Martin, please check. I did. Thank you, Nicky Boy Game, for sharing that information. I assumed it was that. Yeah, I'm aware that some people got it. And so congratulations to you for having it. I would love it. I would love it on both of my channels. Of course, I'm on my phone and it's very frustrating. But there you go. It is what it is. Yeah, what can I say? Nicky Boy Gaming, if you'd like to sell me your channel, I'll buy it off you. I would love to have an RTMP server for TikTok. So if you want to sell it to me, I will buy it off you. If you've not got that many followers and you're happy to start again. Anyway, I also give you a tip on how to bypass it. How to bypass it? I don't think there's a way of doing that. Let me just have a look. You sent me information. Let's have a look. Let me just read that. Also, if you want to use TikTok and OBS software, at the same time of turning on virtual camera, currently broadcast, then it will show TikTok Studio. I will read that through. Hang on, what did you say? Also, if you want to use TikTok, you can use OBS software and TikTok Studio software. Yeah, but I can't get TikTok Studio software on Mac. It's only available on Microsoft. Same time of run by turning on your virtual camera, so it shows the screen of OBS broadcast, and then it will go to TikTok. Yeah, that's if you can get OBS. If you can get TikTok Studio, and not everyone can get that, and that's also only available on Microsoft. So that's another reason why I can't get it that way either. So, but thank you very much. So I don't think I can get it. So if you want to sell me your TikTok channel, let me know. I'd buy it off you. Anyway, I'm back to 24/7. Does it still help if I don't comment on them when I sleep or miss? I'm back to 24/7. Does it still help if I don't comment? Yes, Bill. It's all about watching. If you just watch my channel, that's what the biggest help you can give. Anyway. Nicky Boy Gaming, thanks for all your help. Right, we're up today 1.41. It's virtually a straight line. Be very, very wary of the straight line. Be very, very wary. Everyone's buying now like crazy. FOMO's kicking in, and it's going to get a lot more, I'm sure. But anyway, we shall see what happens. We're up now 1.37. A lot of people are now just buying in and thinking there's no bottom in sight. Well, you've got to be very careful. We're not going to have every single day up. That's not how it works. But anyway, Vanguard S&P is up today 0.53. Virgin Galactic is up 0.59. You're welcome, but I won't sell because it covers Nicky Boy Gaming channel as well. Okay, that's fair enough. That's fair enough. If you don't want to sell, that's fair enough. No problem at all. Virgin Orbit is flat. Today, Tesla is up 1.78, breaking through the 200 any moment now, I'm sure. Rivian up 1.1, Lucid is up 0.2, Arrival up 3.83, Amazon is up 0.67, we've got Apple up 0.56, Robinhood 9.73, McDonald's is down very slightly, but hardly anything. These are all our safety stocks. Coca-Cola is down 0.11, but remember, up 7.3 now. We've got nearly $300 worth of profit in there. So, you know, we're massively up on it now. Okay, some indices to show you. Okay, Nikkei is up 0.92, Kospi is up 0.3, Hang Seng is up 0.75 right now. Coca-Cola is virtually flat now. J&J is flat as well. I got to go as I have to sort out for tonight's tribute for Fleetwood Mac singer. Yes, have a wonderful night and we'll try to catch you. The FTSE is up 0.16, CAC up 0.43 and the DAX is up 0.96. Fantastic. Okay. Google is up 0.49 as well. Microsoft is flat, but I'm up nearly 10% now, 9.23. And Nikki, before you go, I want to thank you as well. You are one of our gold members. Thank you so much. There's 10 gold members now, so thank you very much for being one of our premier gold members of our channel. Thank you for your continued support, and I will continue to promote and help you grow as well. So thank you very much indeed for your support. All right, thank you very much indeed. Meta is up 0.83. Today, so we're up 3% now on Meta. Very, very nice indeed. Hey man, how you doing? Monk Chubbs, how are you? Where is Monk Chubbs? Monk Chubbs is over on Twitch. Well, good morning to you. You've joined at just the right time because tomorrow for our Twitchers, it's a free cash prize giveaway. Basically, I give away the money I make on subscriptions. If you subscribe to me for free using Amazon Prime, just turn on Amazon Prime Gaming. We do it every single month for free. It's a free cash prize draw. We do it live in the show. tomorrow morning this time. All you've got to do is turn on Amazon Prime Gaming, and every month you need to renew it because Amazon give it you for free. They don't do it automatically. You've got to renew it every month. There's only 12 subscribers. You've got a 1 in 12 chance, and 2 of those are me and my wife. So you've got a 1 in 10 chance of winning tomorrow a cash prize. All you've got to do is subscribe for free on Amazon Prime Gaming. All right. Yes, sir. This is actually my first live found in English for the market. Well, you're welcome. The home of our show is actually YouTube. Where we are right now is YouTube. This is our home. We're also on TikTok. We're on Facebook. We're on multiple websites. The home of our show is here on YouTube. I'll give you the link to where we are right now. What many of our people, what our family do, they watch me on YouTube because the quality is far, far higher. We stream in 4K in many instances, but they keep a subscription on Twitch because that way they can be in our free prize draw. All right, that's how it works. Anyway, good morning to you, Zach. You've come at a very good time. Thanks for your continued membership. Your badge will turn gold soon, as we are now in December. It's when we launched our membership. So we're a year old this month, and many of you will have gold badges. Monks is now following. Thanks for the follow, Monks. All you've got to do now is become a subscriber. And we go live every day here on YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok. 10 hours a day. Cash prize giveaways. Star guests. We've got some big stars on a big star on our show tomorrow. CEO of Handcash and co-founder tomorrow. Very, very big day. SoFi IonQ is up 0.39. The overall market now is up. We are up 1.21. My portfolio has definitely hit bottom. I'm 100% certain of that. All right, we've come up to our first commercial break. I'll see you all back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Okay, we are back with you once again. Thanks for sticking with us. And if anyone's interested, you can get the day trader Martyn Lucas Investor mug in the chat if you're interested. Nappy Head, how are you? Thanks for your support. Nappy Head TV is over there on TikTok. I encourage all of my TikTokers to follow my subscribers. You can see a Luca badge. That's Nappy Head TV. I promote and support all of my subscribers. So if you want to go and check him out, give him a follow. I've got 31,000 followers here, and what I love to do is promote and help my subscribers on TikTok. So go and just give Nappy Head a little tap there and follow him, and you can support his channel. It'd be really nice. We love helping each other. That's what we do here. Right, let's carry on going through and see how many people are with me now. Right, we've got 1 minute on the clock. We need 20 likes in 1 minute. Everyone's fallen asleep. I have no idea why. You ready? I know why. You like to watch me do it. I know what it's all about. All right, so you ready? Here we go. 1 minute on the clock. Let's do it. I want 20 likes. In fact, we won't get 20 likes. We might get 15 actually. Smash the like button. Said a chicky 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 pow pow. Said a chicky 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 pow pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say. Stand up with the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. All right, we've got 8 likes. Come on, get to at least 10. What's going on? Everyone's asleep this morning. I know it's early in the morning, but come on, everybody. What's going on? What's going on? Wakey, 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 wakey. 20 seconds to go, and we need, there's 16 watching now. Come on, we need at least 10 likes. What's going on? Thank you very much indeed if you liked the video. All right. I think everyone's watching me on mute this morning. They can't hear what I'm saying. What's going on? All right, let's ring the bell. We've got 40 minutes to go before the bell goes. It's not a straight line curve. It's not going to go straight up. But however, what we do have this morning is the market, my portfolio has bottomed. Let's go from the other end of the spectrum. Rio RCM up to date. Ethereum is down 0.66. Just liked and subbed on YouTube. Hey! Fantastic. If you've liked or subbed on YouTube, I think you've got. I think your name would have come up on the screen. It hasn't come up on the screen because you're probably not showing your public subscriptions. Oh, there it is. There it is. Look at that. Hey. There's Monk Chubbs is on YouTube. There he goes. Look, he just subscribed to us. Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. That's where we are right now. Now, as you're being so nice, I want to be even nicer. You're over on Twitch right now, and you've not subscribed to me yet, but I would strongly recommend you do. It's free, and you'll be in our free prize draw. We also have another cash prize draw tomorrow on YouTube as well. We have two every Friday on YouTube and every first Friday of the month on Twitch. It's nearly Friday. We deserve a nap. Is that what it is? Is that what it is, Mark? All right. This is Monk Chubbs. He's over on Twitch. Would everyone say hello to him? He's just subscribed to us. He's not a family member yet. He hasn't joined the membership here on YouTube, but you never know. He might come over. It's a much better experience. He'll test it out in a minute, I'm sure. And he'll go, hang on a minute. I like it over here. It's good, isn't it? All right. Here we go. Here's my portfolio, up 0.79, 0.8. Let's go back to some breaking news and see what's going on. Okay, let me have a quick look on the reels. Bonds have a place in the portfolio, says Doll. EU countries make fresh push for dynamic gas price cap. That's what we need. US stocks futures pause after rally. Dollar weakens. That's what we need. That's not a problem because it was too strong. Do you have a particular opinion on diversification? Yes, I have a very strong opinion on diversification. People often say, if you have real conviction, why don't you go all in on one stock? Well, the reason for that is it's not about not believing in a stock or thinking something's better or whatever. The reason why you have diversification is you understand what the stocks do and how they trade and invest. A lot of people just think, well, if I buy everything, I'm fully diversified and I can't lose. Well, if you're going to buy everything, you might as well just buy the S&P 500, do absolutely nothing, which is not a bad thing to do, actually, because generally, well, not generally, always, over time, the markets will go up. The biggest problem is people get in the way of themselves with their emotions and make mistakes. So actually, if you just buy the S&P 500, like VU, for example, I have 18, nearly 19% of my portfolio is that, then, you know, you're going to be up. That's not a bad way of doing it. However, I also like to buy the individual stocks because that's the way I invest and trade. It works for me. But the reason for diversification is not just because, well, if I buy everything, I'm covered. That's not the point. It's understanding how the stocks work. And I'll give you an example. When the stock market is going down, J&J and Coca-Cola and McDonald's go up. They're down very slightly today. Why are they down very, very slightly today? Because people are now buying into the markets because things are going up again. All right? They are your safety stocks. They are stocks that always make money. They're very profitable, have hardly any, if no debt. These are stocks you never sell. You just add when they dip on certain, you know, certain macro data. Well, if you get a drop, you buy more. Like I have done, I've gone all in. I mean, I've got 3,000 in J&J, I've got 4,000 in Coca-Cola, and I've got 2,000 in McDonald's. So, you know, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, just over 9 grand there. That's a good part of my portfolio, right? And I have these not just because let's have diversification just because. It's because these will protect my portfolio on down days. But when we get great news like we're just having now, and Meta starts to recover, right, then I've got a good profit in my J&J, Coca-Cola, and McDonald's. They might dip a little bit, but they won't ever lose me any money. They'll just dip 0.01, maybe even 1%, but they're up 5-6%. And they pay a good dividend. So I hold them in my portfolio as an insurance policy to protect and calm down the balance of my portfolio. And then my high growth stocks like Microsoft, like Meta, like Google, which were all sold off, like Virgin Galactic, like Vorb, and all these things, they will explode and my portfolio will grow. Then I'll trim off the top and get ready to buy some more J&J, Coca-Cola. You get the idea. All right? So that is why I have a diverse portfolio, not just because it's some magical thing about averages and so on. There's a reason why you buy what you buy, at least there is in my portfolio. Okay, let's look at it right now. The futures is up 0.32, euro to the dollar is up 0.84. That's good news. We want the dollar to weaken because our stocks like Apple, Tesla, my biggest stocks like that, or even some more indices, and other companies that I invest in do business around the world. So the dollar going down is good for those profits. So that's good. The Nikkei is up 0.92, Kospi is up 0.3, Hang Seng is up 0.75. Don't just buy Bed Bath & Beyond or Mullen. Yeah, don't just do that. That's just gambling, and because I don't know why that is. People get influenced by what they read on Reddit, and you know, don't get influenced by, you know, so-called social influencers on Reddit. They're not investors, they're keyboard warriors. You don't know how much money they've got. With me, you see exactly what I'm investing in, how much money I've got, how much money I'm making, how much money I'm losing. A lot of the Redditors that and the tweeters that will get you to buy Mullen, for example, won't share with you they've lost for the last 50 trades. They'll just tell you when they win. You don't know how much money they've got, what they're doing. And if you ever take advice from anyone like that, then you shouldn't be in the stock market, quite frankly. Anyway, you are a wise sage, Martin. A wise sage? What's a wise sage? What is that then? Virgin Galactic up 0.59. Virgin Orbit holding. We've got the flights around the corner. Tesla up 1.75. Rivian up 0.66. Lucid. Let the stocks come to you. I've never chased. People go, yeah, but you do. You're catching a falling knife. No. I know what companies I want to buy. No. I'm already in. I decided what stocks I wanted to buy before I looked at the price. I knew exactly what I wanted to buy, stuck to what I'm buying, and just add to it when it goes down. That's it. I don't add to it when it goes up. Why would I do that? Why, when the stock that I want to own was offered to me at a 30% discount, why would I not buy it and then buy it when it goes up 10%? What's the sense in that? That's what market profit does. Market profit, remember, has loads of money in the bank, doesn't need to risk. It only buys in when things go up. To me, that's just plain follow the leader, lemmings, everyone just follows everybody. That's not investing. Investing is deciding that a company is oversold and buy it when everybody else is selling it. Take the risk when everybody else is fearful. That's exactly what Warren Buffett does. Who buys a stock that everybody else is buying when it goes up? What's the point? However, you can do that if you are in the money and got loads of money and don't want any stress or drama. However, if you do that, you can always risk it going back down again and being out of the money very quickly. Well, you know, how can I? Look, I'm up 9% on Microsoft. Can you see Microsoft going down 9% after the massive sell-offs that we've had? Look at it over a year. Down 24%. It was down 34%. I bought it when it was down 34%. I'm 9% up now. Can you see it now with the economic data improving, going down 9%? Not a chance in hell. And if it does, it's because a big whale has left the stock, dumped the stock because they're retiring and living on a beach. That isn't bad news. That's great because I will become the whale and I will buy their stocks they've dumped. So a great company like this, if that's why I have buy orders for every one of my top stocks. If we get a drop, I am there, ready to pick it up. Can't wait for the Tesla semi-day. No, it's going to be great, isn't it? Good morning, everyone. But he also said the airlines, but he also sold the airlines after they went down. Who sold the airlines? Warren Buffett. He also sold the airlines after they went down. You have to understand, when somebody who you regard as wise and clever and Warren Buffett, whatever you think about him, you go, hang on a minute, he sold when it went down. Hang on a minute, what's going on there? Remember, Amazon sold Rivian when it went down. The reason for that is big companies who've got billions of dollars in the bank and loads of profit sometimes sell for a tax loss. And we're coming into that season now. It's tax season in December. Companies often sell for a loss. That does not mean that the stock is rubbish. It means they are posting a loss. Now, that might not be relevant for you. If you've only got a couple $100 and you're trying to get in the stock market, you're not posting losses. But if you've got billions of dollars of profit, you might want to lower your tax position, because if you sell for a loss and you are a whale and you own millions of shares of something, when you sell, it will dramatically go down. Everybody will jump out who don't understand what's going on, and then you'll buy back cheaper and it will go up again. And then you'll buy it next year. So you've posted a tax loss for this year. So you've actually saved money. You've driven the stock price down because everyone's dumped it because they went, oh my God, Warren Buffett has sold it. So they all sell it, and then he buys it back in the next financial year. So he wins again. So you can win by selling at a loss. All right. And you need to understand all of these things to be able to make informed decisions about the market. Anyway, it's 8 o'clock. We're right on the hour. You know what that means. We need to find out, have we got 20 likes? No, we haven't. There's 22 watching, 15 likes. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to run a commercial break. You're going to get punished. Yeah, your fault. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we're back. Let's run a quick commercial break. Just checking a couple of screens. I want to see what happens here. Ah, there we go. Yeah, I just checked something and that worked. That worked very well. Just testing some new technologies out, and it seems to work very well. Anyway, there you go. Thanks for all the follows today over on TikTok. Thank you. If the markets keep rising, you'll never buy anything. If you don't readjust your low buy orders. Well, Malk, that's very likely to happen. Is that a problem? No. Shall I explain? Yeah. The reason for this is I may never buy again, and you'll go, okay, what's all that about? So you're not going to buy again when the markets are going to grow and grow and grow in time. Right. Everyone's portfolio is different. Everyone's needs are different. My need is to get to $100,000 by the end of the year. Still believe it's possible. Don't know if I'll do it or not. I can't predict the future. But and 200 grand next year. That's all I need. I have no car loan, no mortgage. I'm not trying to beat the market or beat anybody else. That's all I need for a nice, simple life, living in England, in my cottage, by the sea, going to the pub on a Sunday. All I need is 200 grand, right? Okay. So I know what my objectives are, and I could go like most people do. I'm going to put $100 away every month, every week, whatever it might be, regularly over time. I'm just reading a comment here. Martin, I'm back again. And a friend of mine said the TikTok software works on Mac. Okay, it didn't. So let me just have a look. I'm just going to answer Nicky Boy Gaming's question Malk's question a second. So TikTok software, or is it TikTok Studio, isn't it? TikTok Studio. Let's have a quick look. Welcome to TikTok Live Studio. I want to see if it's downloadable. I didn't see it available for Live Studio. Okay, it's going to take me too long, so I will actually look at it later on. Live studio. Okay, thank you for that. I'll have a little look. Anyway, thank you so much. Virgin is going bankrupt. No, it's not. Virgin Galactic is not going bankrupt at all. It's got plenty of money in the bank. Why do you come up? Why do you say that, Mr. Clockwork? Why are you saying that? Morning, I am new. Just started yesterday. Darian Dooley, welcome, Darian. So anyway, let's answer Malk's question. You could buy every month, every year, every week, whatever, with your $100, whatever it is you've got, and you could just continue to buy. Where what I have done, I recognised that we were at the top of the market end of post-COVID, even though I bought in, and then I saw one of the biggest crashes in history. Awful. We had a year of a bear market, right? We're still a bear market, but we'll turn bullish probably in about 3 or 4 weeks. So I decided that in a year from now, the prices of all my stocks are going to be dramatically higher than they are now. So what does it make any sense paying $100 a month into the markets as the market's rising? No. But that's what most people do, because that's what they can do, because they earn money every month, they put a little bit in, and that works fine. However, it's obvious, absolute fact, mathematical certainty, if someone said to you when you were 1 years of age, you are going to earn in your lifetime $1 million. You can put $1 million divided by every week of the year. You can invest it in the stock market for your pension when you're old. Or you can put that entire $1 million in the stock market today. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to work it out that you'd be better off doing that. And that is exactly what I've done. I have put every penny I own and some into the markets. So as the market recovers, I've already bought the shares I want to buy for the next 10 years, which is my time to retire. I'm already in. I've already done it. That doesn't mean to say I'm not going to buy anything ever again, because new companies are going to be created. Brand new companies, new rocket companies. SpaceX will maybe one day go public. I'll buy it. What's it called? Starlink may one day go public. I'll buy it. Also, high dividend stocks with no growth, but steady dividends. I will buy it. I will buy it. Because they have no growth, but they pay high dividends. Rio Tinto, for example, I will catch on a dip and dump money in there. But will I chase things like Microsoft? Will I chase Meta? No, because this stock is probably worth $200 to $300 a share. I'm not gonna buy it in a year at 200, because what can that do? That can drop, and now I'm down. No, why would I need to do that? I've already put more than I ever wanted to in a lifetime into Meta. $6,500. That is an insane amount of money for me. So all I'm going to do is let it rise and trim as I need to, if I need to. But at $115 average, I don't need to. So that's fine. That's why why you say I will never buy again, and I think that explains it in the best way. All right, Darian Dooley, we've got a guest here, Darian Dooley. Let's welcome Darian Dooley in. We're officially the highest engagement rate on YouTube. Live members that are actually live viewers that are actually members. So if you'd like to be part of our family, consider becoming a member of the family. Here is the link. We've got our cash prize giveaway tomorrow. We have 2. Bitcoin is going to $1 million. What was that? $1 or 1 million? $1 million, Mr. Clockwork. No one knows that. But I own Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is the only thing not showing on my portfolio. Here's my entire setup. Here's my Robinhood. And here is my ledger with my Bitcoin on it. And I'm not paying any more, not buying any more. I've got, about $600 worth of Bitcoin and about $600 worth of Bitcoin BSV. And if they all go to $1 million, well, guess what? I've got $2 million. I don't know. That's all the money I need. I don't need to risk any more money. I've got no reason to risk any money whatsoever. So there you go. Anyway, I just had to I've got to look into my phone a minute. Looks like Robinhood has just updated its app, which is very inconvenient during my live show. There you go. It's back on again now. There you go. Let's read some of these comments. Don't buy that. Yeah. Let's have a look. If the market's works on Mac, okay. S&P will have to drop to 3,400, 3,200, and then the pump will be infinite. Yeah, S&P will have to drop to 3,400 to 3,200, and then the pump will be infinite. Nothing's infinite. Nothing goes up forever. I don't agree with that, Mr. Clockwork. Morning, I am new. Virgin is going bankrupt. No, Virgin isn't going bankrupt. That's not true. Malk says, "Hi, Darren, you'll love this channel. Thank you so much indeed." I am kidding you. Oh, good. I didn't know if you were serious. I'm glad you're not, though, anyway. SBF finally did an interview with New York Times after a lawyer told him not to. I watched this morning on YouTube. I wouldn't trust him to cross the street. No, he's a terrible human being. Look at it. I mean, life is very straightforward, really. Life is very straightforward. Sam Bankman-Fried is investing billions and billions of dollars of real people's money. Now, everyone says, Martin, you shouldn't judge a book from its cover. You shouldn't have a go at someone because they're in a t-shirt and they got a fat belly. Right? Someone said to me that the other day, you can't do that. I said, yes, I can. There's nothing wrong with being overweight. There's nothing wrong with being big. I'm getting fatter by the day. What I'm talking about is self-respect and presentation. We can all brush our hair, put a suit on, put a tie on. Now, that doesn't mean you're a good person because you put a suit and tie on. But let's get one thing straight. If you are representing millions of people with billions of dollars, it shows absolutely 100% apparent that you don't respect people and their money if when you do interviews, you don't brush your hair, you don't put a shirt and a tie on, the guy lives in a pair of flip-flops and a pair of shorts and a bloody, he's like he's down the beach. It means he doesn't give a shit. That's what that means. That doesn't mean he's a fashion icon. It doesn't mean he's a decent bloke who just likes to chill out. There's nothing wrong. Every one of you at home today can sit there in your shorts and t-shirt. Nothing wrong with that. However, I am here. You are my audience. I make the effort in the morning to do the best of myself. You cannot tell me that Sam Bankman-Fried cares about anybody because he doesn't care about himself. Obvious. If I had $1 million, I would just buy a private company and have a board seat and rest in bonds. These crazy swings, no thanks, throwing in $1 million in this market. Well, I would, church. Not now, but that's why I've invested all my money in the market. Hello there, said Sid, Clockwork Investor. Did you sell? I'm just about to. Hi, Darren Dooley. Everyone's saying hello to Darren Dooley. There we go. Nice. Bitcoin's going to $1 million. Okay, Kathy Wood. Nicely explained. I get it. Thank you very much indeed. Here he is, Caden Youngquist, our youngest investor. Very successful channel. Is growing very quickly. And we're going to continue to support him as long as he's a member of our channel, which he is. Many of you are going to turn gold this month as it's 1 year today. 1 year this month we had our memberships. Good morning, everyone. Here he is. Good morning, Ed Nevius. We all know what happened yesterday with Ed. One of the saddest days ever on our show, with Ed calling in tears. All the family supported him. I had a lovely conversation with Ed off air last night. Thank you, Ed. Lovely to have you here. really impressed that you are actually with us this morning. So nice one for being here with us. Brilliant. Keep your chin up, mate. We're all here. We know what went on. Be nice. If Jasmine goes to $10, I won't have to work again. I'm being nice. Martin, when I wrote that Virgin's going bankrupt, you seemed a bit stressed. Yeah, I was like, what do you know? What do you know? Good morning to you on another glorious green day. Oh, more market profit is here on a green day. Green day. What if he just not like everyone? What if he just not like everyone else? What if he just not like everyone else? What, Sam Bankman-Fried? What? Just don't respect people? Well, I mean, you know, when you turn on a proper financial channel, when you turn on the news, people respect you might disagree with their opinions, Churchy, but they all respect their own presentation, and they respect their audience, and they respect their job, and they respect the discipline of being in front of an audience. Sam Bankman-Fried, I can't believe anyone is any surprised. How can anyone? My mum always said, judge someone by their shoes. If someone goes out with a pair of shoes, not trainers, regular black shoes, and they're all scuffed and not polished, that shows you the integrity of the person. And she's right, because any human being with a pair of black leather shoes can put polish on them. And if you don't, it's the same as going to work without having a wash. It's the same as going to work without cleaning your teeth and having a stinky breath. It says, I don't care, so why would you care about me? Come on, it's obvious. Basically, Sam Bankman-Fried and the short positions were not relayed on his dashboard, so he didn't see them. Of course he did. Sam Bankman-Fried knew exactly what he was doing. Hey Ed, good morning Ed. Oh look, all the love coming in from Ed. Love that. Love that more than anything else this morning. Love that. Kathy Wood said Virgin will go to $100. So do I. Kathy Wood said that. Kathy Wood said Virgin Galactic will go to $100 after watching my show. I'm telling you that. I didn't copy her. I'll tell you that. I just looked at the facts. Simple as that. Everyone loves Ed. Yes, they do. This market is highly addictive, much more fun than a local casino. Lots of cash to be made with everybody so bulled up on bad data. Market profit. Get love back at your Ed. Look at that. I don't trust people in suits and ties. They're the biggest frauds walking. Thank you very much. Me putting a suit and tie on does not make me legitimate. That's not what I'm talking about. But it tells you that when I get up and shower and shave, and it shows you that I respect and care about you. Sam Bank. I mean, I honestly, I cannot believe that so many people are influenced by YouTubers. If you go and look at the Bitcoin YouTubers, there's loads that sit with masks on, glasses on, like big sunglasses, right? Crash helmets, and people follow this stuff. And they actually think these people are smart. Now, I'm not saying it makes me smarter than them because I haven't got a crash helmet on or a silly mask on. But if you come to work in the morning representing millions of people, acting like a fool, you are a fool. But we live in a world where we love all this stuff. When are we going to wake up and go, why is the obvious stuff so hard to see? Why are the scammers so hard to see? It's like, I only trust nudists. He's got a point there. Nothing to hide there. Nothing to hide there, Mark. Mark says stinky breath. Right, brilliant. Everyone's going, hang on a minute. Do I need to have some mouthwash to watch this show? Market profit. I prefer private investing and running a business. The best thing you can ever do is invest in yourself, which is what I did, which is what I do. The stock market is not the only way if you're already a millionaire. Is not the way if you're already a millionaire. Get where you're coming from. Cheryl O, how the market's doing today? Cheryl O is here. Everyone, welcome back one of our guests. He's been here before. Cheryl O. I have been dabbing in options over the last few weeks, and I have actually done quite well. With the ups and downs, been trading VIX contracts. All right. I get it, Martin. I'm playing devil's advocate. I know you are. I know exactly where you go now. I can read you like a bloody book. Martyn Lucas, you know that you look good in a suit and tie, and that is why you wear it. Yeah, I don't look good. I don't look good like Sam Bankman-Fried. If I came on like Sam Bankman-Fried, all scruffy, couldn't care less, not had a wash for a week, flip-flops, T-shirt. Yeah, it's not a good look for me, if I'm honest. He can pull it off. He pulls it off very well. He looks great as a geek, doesn't he? He looks great. And yeah, doesn't give a damn about anybody else, but he looks great. So if you think that's great, I don't know. It shows Martyn makes an effort. But here's me in my joggers and ripped shirt. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. You're the bloody audience, Mark. All of you are the audience. You are supposed to be sat on the toilet on your phone. I know, people do. You're supposed to be sat in bed, eating having a biscuit with a cup of tea. Got me on your lap on a little stand. You're the audience. I'm not the audience. You're my customers. You're my family. You're my audience. You're my viewers. You don't have to respect me, but I have to respect you. I will be back, says Damien Dooley. Fantastic. Darian Dooley. I'll be back. That's good to know. That's good. It's always good to know, isn't it? Anyway, we've got just a few minutes to go before the market opens. Martyn, how do you know I'm on the toilet? Trust me. Statistically, half of you are half the time. All right? Just a fact. Statistically, how do I know I'm on the toilet? Yeah, I know everything. I've got cameras everywhere. Right, okay. How many have liked the video? 26 watching, 23 likes. You're getting better at it. Still not good enough, though. It's not good enough, so you're going to get punished with a commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds. Here we go. All right. We're back after the break. Fantastic. Good stuff. Let's have a look. Let me just check a couple of things. I'm doing some checkings today. Doing some checking. I think I might have missed it. I think I might have missed that one. All right. Learning stuff. We're learning today. We're doing learning. Let's have a quick drink. No, please. No commercials. You're killing us. No. Okay. No more commercials then. No more commercials for another 15, 20 minutes. The S&P is up 0.37. Hang on a minute. Let's see some breaking. Let's do some breaking news. I've not done breaking news for a while. Let's have a look. Any breaking news? I'll keep my eye on that. Let's have a quick look. That's all good. How many have come through the show so far? We've got 63, 70. See, as soon as it gets busy, you can see you can see exactly here. Look at this. You can see as soon as the markets turn up, you can just see it. I can look at my algorithms. Look, over here, right? We're up today. We've got 70 people come through the stream already. We averaged 200 by the end of the show. We're not even started and we're at 70. And everyone's interested in Jerome Powell. You can see that, look. That's my number 2 video, even though it was yesterday, 181 views. You can see it. You can see exactly how people think, how they invest. It's incredible, actually, to see how it changes. I'm here on the red days, ploughing away when everybody else is not watching me, when they're all watching SpongeBob, or they're probably watching Mark Corn's comedy show. Who has watched Nicky Boy Gaming's channel? Nicky Boy Gaming, he's a DJ, and he's up 24 hours a day in his room, full of smoke. I don't know if it's like weed smoke or DJ smoke. I need to ask him about that. But he literally lives in a cloud of smoke, 24/7. He never sleeps. Has anyone checked him out? It's quite interesting to watch, to pop in. Anyway, which VIX did you did market profit? No, please, no commercials. I need the bot. I need the boom. Oh, is that why? I've not liked it because I've not had the boom, chicky, 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 boom, boom, boom. All right. Well, if it's going to earn me another like, I'll do it. I will demand cash back on every commercial you played. DXY is coming down some. That is good news. I've been trading SVXY and VXY through iPath, Series B, S&P 500. God, that sounds so complicated, doesn't it? We are right on the lower bounds at 20. This is a great trading range and is low risk at these contracts. Has anyone got a clue what he's talking about? I haven't got a clue. I don't know anything about options. It's not for me. And don't you do it either. Just because you hear everybody making money, if you don't understand it, don't do it. Only do what you understand, all right? Simple as that. Simple, simple, simple. Right, we have birthdays coming up today. We've got birthday celebrations today on our show this afternoon. Yes, 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 yes. Let me just check a couple of things. Yeah, we've got a group of ladies that I met on a gig, and it's one of their birthdays this afternoon, and we're going to do it later on today in the show. Not this morning, this afternoon. Craig, hi Cheryl O, hi Craig. So Cheryl O, you know tomorrow is our cash prize giveaway. We've got 2 cash prize giveaways tomorrow. Two. Have you got into the draw? Are you involved? I hope so. Blimmin' heck. We've got 2 cash giveaways, and we've got a star. If you're not in the cash giveaway, if you're watching the show right now and you're not in the cash giveaway, rather than me repeat it, cash. I do it every Friday. I give away a cash prize every Friday and the first Friday of the month. So I have 2. Oh, there you are. Cheryl's all excited now, going, oh, hang on a minute. What's all this? You're giving free money away? Yeah. I do it every single Friday and every first Friday of the month. We have the CEO and co-founder of Handcash on the show. Hey, Mark Korn. Right, we got a, hang on a minute. We got a celebration. Mark Korn just gave me a super chat. Thanks, mate. Thanks, mate. Woohoo! Fireworks. Thank you very much indeed, Mark Korn. Mark Korn's the best. He gives me a super chat. He buys me a cup of coffee nearly every day. That's what I'm talking about. That's commitment. He's the only one, though. He's the only one who buys me a cup of coffee. You know, a cup of coffee, I can get a cheap cup of coffee for 99 pence. 99 cents. 99 cents. That's not, I could get a cup of coffee for that. There's like 30 people here. If everyone gave me 99 cents, I'd have a cup of coffee and a sandwich. Every morning, I could send Leah out to Starbucks, come back with a cup of coffee and a sandwich. How about that if I get 99 cents per person? It'd be very good, wouldn't it? Anyway, all right, so here we go. We got, 1 minute to go. It's showtime. And then I'll tell Cheryl O how she can win some money. Should I tell Cheryl O how she can win some money, or should I keep it to myself? Should I keep it to myself? Right. All right, here we go. 30 seconds to go. Here we go. Boom, chicky, chicky, and boom, chicky, 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 boom, boom, boom. Will the real Satoshi stand up? Say cheese, stand up. Say you stand up. Yes, the real Satoshi stand up. Nakamoto. 16 seconds to go. Here we go. 14 seconds. Let's get ready to go. 10 seconds. And the market is about to open with 45,000. There's a very good chance today I'll hit 50,000, which will be the first time ever live on the show. Here we go. Swing the bell. Here comes the morning sell-off. No surprise. Give it a few minutes. Will I hit $50,000 today? There's a very good chance, actually. There's a very, very good chance I could hit 50 grand today. Does anybody think I will? It's I would say an 80% chance that I could hit $50,000 today. Keep you warm during the winter months. Thank you, Mark Korn. Right, there we go. We're at $46,000. Thank you very much, Leah, for my coffee. Leah just brought me a cup of coffee in. My lovely wife just bought me a cup of coffee. There you go. Look at that, Mike. Where's Mike with the thank yous? All right. 45. Come on, let's get to 46,000. 46,000. There it goes. There it goes. We had the little morning drop. It will continue for 15 minutes, so don't get carried away. Who's buying it now? Right, here we go. I've got to tell Cheryl O how she can win some of my money. Shall I give away all my money tomorrow? Shall I give it away? It may hit 50,000. I may hit 5 grand today. Very nice indeed. Let's have a poll. Start a poll. Will I hit 50,000? Oops, 50,000 today. I would say it's an 80% chance. To be perfectly honest, I would say it's an 80% chance. Ask the community. There you go. Right, let's get some context. Get some context so we understand what's going on and what we're making money from, okay? Right, we are up. If we look at it, it's very important, right? Let's get this right. We are up on the live minute, okay? We're going to go through all the stocks now and see what's moving. We're up on the day, 1.52. We're up on the week, 10%. We're up on the week, 10%, okay? Very, very nice indeed. Let me just jiggle that across there a little bit. Up 10%. We're up on the month now, 3.48. There we go. So up on the month as well. The 3 months is what I'm interested in. 3 months is what I'm interested in. Now we are down 5.78, but we are up on 2.5 months. So only the first week or so of the 3 months. Otherwise, we're up over 2.5 months. If that doesn't tell you my market's bottomed, nothing will. Nothing will. But of course, we are now we were down 58% or something just a month ago. We're now down 36%. $26, 26,000. See, much, much, much better. And if you look at that and go, yeah, but Martyn, you're down all that money. So what? I don't care that I'm down all that money. I had that many shares at this price. I've now got that many shares at this price. All I've been doing is digging the ditches, building the foundations. That's where we are right now. Right, we're at 46, 50%. How many of you have voted? And then I'm going to tell Cheryl O how she can win some money, but I'm also going to go through the stocks. 50-50, 5 votes each. There we go. Okay, here we go. Let's go through the stocks and then I'll discuss with Cheryl. So the S&P 500 is up 0.42 today. Virgin Galactic is up 5.31. That's going to $10 by February. There you go. Does that surprise you? $10 by February. Who's surprised at that news? Who was surprised at what I've just said then? Anybody surprised by that? I think we're going to $10 by February. Okay. I've put my name in the sand there. Virgin Orbit, we're preparing for the flight. The flight has been delayed to December, but we are now in December. It's very bold. Yeah, I'm always bold. You've got to be, right? Tesla, 196. Tesla will break 200 today, I would imagine, without much shadow of a doubt about that. Rivian is doing well. I'm up 16%. They are far from bottoming. They haven't even started to go down. Market profit, what do you mean they haven't started to go down? No, I'm sorry. Me and market profit, we go backwards and forwards, but there's no way you can tell me after a year of a bear market, I was down 80% on Microsoft, 80% on Google, 80% on Facebook, and you're telling me it's nowhere near the bottom? No. And Virgin Galactic, I bought at $35. I now own it at $4, like. What's my average? $4.98, whatever. There's absolutely no way on earth that anyone could say the markets haven't even started going down yet. Let me just re-emphasize what he just said. They are far from bottoming. They haven't even started to go down. No. Still have a lot of selling pressure. Not from me, you don't. I'm not selling anything. I haven't been selling any. I haven't sold anything for ages. Anyway, it's up to you. Lucid is up 0.2. Arrival is up 0.5. But remember, that could go up 100% and still be disastrous. The company's going bankrupt. Amazon is up 0.41. Apple is up 0.16. Robinhood's up 2.5. They make money now. Interest rates going up. It's licensed to print money. They were 1 quarter ahead of their target to make money, and now interest rates are going up. They're printing money. They're a digital bank, remember, at the end of the day, not just a brokerage. Tesla, I said, would go through 200. I had a lot of controversy this morning when I posted that on social media, and everyone went, you're talking absolute nonsense. All the perma bulls are going, it's going to go $1 million. Well, they're talking rubbish. They're idiots. But I said today, in the opening bell, it will go up to $200 a share. And it'll probably do it in the next 15 minutes. So let's watch it, see if I'm right. Okay, I was right once. McDonald's is up 0.15. This is good. This shows you defensive stocks are being bought. They're not being sold off to buy high-risk stocks either, which is doubly good. So now we're winning on our insurance and our main stocks, which is great. Meta is doing well. I eat my words. Meta is a $200 stock. No question about it. Meta is a $200 stock. Everyone's been trading on the popularity of Mark Zuckerberg. That's a huge mistake. It's nothing to do with Mark Zuckerberg at all. Mark Zuckerberg might even be leaving the company. It's all to do with what the expenditure is. Once that changes, which it can in a minute, Meta makes money. So it's really, really obvious. That's going to $200. Coca-Cola is up 0.34. J&J is up 0.39. All the defensive stocks are up as well. Google, oversold, one of the best companies you can buy, one of the best value companies you can buy. That's going to explode. Absolutely explode. This one of the best stocks I own. Why is it going to explode? Because once companies start investing, and they will, and advertising, Google is number one. Google is number one. So it's... over the year, it's down. What is it down? It's down 30%. It was down even lower. It was down 42, 30. It was down like 50, 60% over the year. I'm buying it. I'm happy to own it. I'm happy to hold it. Why would you not? Why would you not? That talk about preparing for the future. Own Google. Can't go wrong, can you? What's my position? $5,500. Yeah, very nice. Microsoft is down today very slightly. Meta Platforms, $200 a share. That's where it's going. SoFi is up 0.4. Digital Bank making money. Once they come through the investigation, they'll be great. IonQ is flat right now at one of Amazon's best investments. Walmart is down very slightly, but I'm up 24% on Amazon. Target, I'm up 10% on Target. They were oversold. Tesco, there we go. I'm up 2% today. 2% overall. Making money. Good. Like it. Canoe is up 6%. Good dividends as well. Tesco, by the way, they pay out tomorrow. Very good. So that'll be good. Tilray is up 1.4. By the way, I have turned off my auto reinvesting dividends. There's absolutely no point using my dividends to pay for all these pumps. What is the point? It's going into my cash and I'll buy it when it drops. I'm not going to buy it on the pump. I'd rather put money in my cash and start building up my cash reserves. Anyway, Enphase Energy is down very small, but I'm down up 9.5. Bitcoin SV hardly moved at all. Bitcoin down slightly. Ethereum down slightly. And R1 RCM is doing well. Right. Okay. We've covered all that. Now I need to speak to Cheryl. Cheryl O. I don't see Bitcoin going up for a while. Neither do I. So Cheryl O, okay, we have many things that we do here on the channel. You'll notice that everyone's a member. 95% of our viewers are members with the highest engagement rate on YouTube. Higher than Mr. Beast, one of the biggest channels in the world. 8 to 9% of his live viewers are members. If you look at even today on Bloomberg, financial channel, hardly anyone's a member. On here, we are 95% members, and for that, the reason is because my membership rewards all of you. So first of all, consider for a couple of bucks a month, we go live 10 hours a day. You are supporting the live show and you get loads and loads of perks, exclusive content, member only shows, member only live videos, member only special data, member exclusive access to Discord, celebrate your birthdays, polls, videos made for you, answer all your questions. The list goes on and on and on and on. I'll even promote your YouTube channel, follow your social media. You can't go wrong. There's the membership. Now, you asked about how you win some money. Right. Let me give you the Discord as well. That's free as well. And we upgrade you once you become a YouTube member. And that gets a lot better as well. There's Discord. Right, how can you win money? We give away money every single Friday. The money I make on the show, as it goes up, I'll give more away. I can't wait until I make $1 million a video. I'll give away $1 million. Right now, I don't make that much, so I can't. But I do give away what I make every Friday. As it goes up, I will give you more, okay? So every Friday, I do a cash giveaway. And every first Friday of the month, I give the money I make on Twitch away. So how can you be in those? Right, first of all, here is my Twitch subscription. Watch me on YouTube, but just subscribe to me on Twitch. It's free using Amazon Prime. Go to Amazon, go to Twitch, link it to your, because remember, Amazon own YouTube, Amazon own Twitch. Go to Twitch, link it to your Amazon Prime account, use the same email address, open an account if you've not got one, and all you've got to do is turn on Amazon Prime Gaming in your Amazon account, and then you can get a free subscription. Now, it doesn't auto-renew because Amazon are paying for it. It comes out of your Amazon Prime. It doesn't cost you any money, but you have to renew it every month. And what I do is I give away the money I make in subscriptions. Right now, I have 12 subscribers. We had 20 before I went on holiday, and the reason why I went down is people didn't renew it. There it is, look, on the screen, 12. And 2 of those are me and Leah. So you've got 1 in 10 chance of winning the cash prize every first Friday. So you should do that today. Why you wouldn't do it, I don't know. If you've got Amazon Prime, anywhere in the world, it works. It's free to do that. That's one of them. The other one is every Sunday I send out a newsletter about what's going on in the show. We've got people that sponsor it if they want to promote their businesses on all kinds of stuff for just $10 super chat. Every Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, an email goes out with our competition video. It's normally a 1 or 2 minute video. You watch it, you leave a comment, you're in the draw on Friday. That's it. Okay. So how do you get into that? Well, obviously you're not going to be able to be in the draw for that because that comes out on Sunday for next Friday, but you can be in it every Friday after that. How do you get the newsletter? You get the newsletter by clicking where I'm going to give you right now. It's the All Links page. The All Links page. Here it is. And I've got some really exciting news about my All Links page as well. I'm going to share that with you in a sec. All Links. There it is. That will bring you to this page here. You'll see this here, my All Links page. There you go. There is all the links, all the free stocks, all the social media, all that stuff. But there is my email right at the top for the thank you, Running Diary. Thank you very much. Welcome to Gold. Running Diary. Welcome to Gold. Have you just become a Gold member? Is that what's just happened there? Oh my gosh. Have you just become a Gold member? Oh my gosh. Anyway, put your email in there, Cheryl O. Put your email in there and you will then be sent a verification email. If you don't verify it, you will not receive the email on Sunday. To verify it, you've got to search for my email. It always goes into the junk folder because it contains the word cash prize draw. Here is the email you're looking for. There it is. It's thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. That email is also in the about section of my channel. It's also below all the videos in the description. Now, if on Sunday 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT, you didn't receive the email, it's because you didn't register and get verification. But you know that because when you get verified, it tells you. All right. Anyway, search your junk folder and find it. Got it? You're on it? Cheryl is on it. Cheryl is on it like a car bonnet. There you go. Brilliant. Let's read some of these comments. All my members' comments. Now, we are changing membership rules as of today, 1st of December. We're 1 year old today. We now have 100 members. 100. So as I said to you, as we grow, we will focus on the members. Okay? We will focus on the members. So now, because we're getting more comments, I can't reply to everyone's comments. I will reply to all my members. So if you're not a member, you might not get your comment answered now, and you might not get your question answered in the live chat. You might not. If you're a member, you will. Now, you might say, well, what happens when you get millions of members? Then I will just have to upgrade it and only silver members get comments. I don't know. That's a problem we'll have to grow into. But right now, there are so many people joining, I have to focus more and more on the members. My priority is the family, the people that are committed to our show. Okay. Saying hi quickly, I'm still about just busy with a real job till Christmas. In Truro at the moment, shouting at useless site managers the joys of construction. Hi Stu, Red Roof. I got everybody from Cornwall. We got Cornwall Massive in the house. Market Profit. Do you think the rally will keep going through December? 100%. Sweet says Chevrolet. Market is busy making money. He doesn't have time to answer. He doesn't have time to answer. I make money, but I'm always answering everything. All right. Thanks, says Chevrolet. Certainly did. Wow. You just upgraded to gold. Running Diary just became a gold member. Right, well, I just need to then tell you, you get lots of perks and extra benefits. Not only do you have 2 hours of Zoom calls a month with me, if you want me to help you with your YouTube channel, I can analyze your channel, give it a full review, audit it for you. I can do that, help you set up a studio. You get 2 hours Zoom calls a month with me. Just schedule that with me through my Calendly. I will give you that link if you need it. Also, if you are a YouTuber, you go at the front of the homepage of my channel. So if you are a YouTuber and you want your channel here, these are my gold members right up the front. You can be moved right up to the front with Nicky Boy Gaming and Muzanella, right up the front. So if you want that, just let me know. All right? And there are many other perks you get as a gold member as well. All right, got it. Wow, welcome Running Diary. Thanks, Stephen. The way I see it, if I'd have bought Meta, it would have been. Hang on. Thanks, Stephen. The way I see it, if I'd have bought Meta, it would have been worth it already. There you go. Yeah, I think we're here to help each other. That's what we learn from each other. It's not about you learning from me at all. I learn more from you, to be honest. Hello, Tiny. How are you? Lovely to have you with me. Market Profit is really Market Prophecy. New name. Right, okay. Let me go over now to Twitch. Did we gain any more subscribers? We've got 7 viewers. Now, I just want to keep it absolutely right. It's really important. We use Twitch to give you money, free money. How I make the money is through subscribers and you watching the ads on Twitch. But please, 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 the home is YouTube. Keep the tab open on YouTube. Just have a separate device for Twitch, a separate tab for Twitch. Remain on YouTube and just keep Twitch open in the background. We want to get 75 viewers on Twitch. We want that so we can become partner, so I can earn more money, so I can give more money away. Now then, I've got some exciting news. Is there anybody watching the show on any platform right now that does not have Robinhood and it is in the US? Because if you use my referral today, we are giving away some shares, some Apple shares. It's insane, okay? We've got some great promotions on Robinhood right now. So if you don't have a Robinhood account and you use my referral, we are giving away some great Apple stocks. There's all sorts of stuff we're giving away. It's absolutely awesome. So if you don't have Robinhood, and you are in the US, then let me know. Okay? Let me know. I won't go on about it unless anybody is able to take advantage of it. But we're giving away some Apple stocks. Brilliant. Really brilliant. Okay? So I won't go on about it until I know if anybody is. Always US. I know. It will come to the UK. And when it does, I can't wait. Because I've got all these English people waiting to get Cheryl O, US, okay. Okay, we're giving away free stocks. Okay, Cheryl O, what do you think about SoFi? Love SoFi. It only went down because everybody got all scared because of crypto. It's got nothing to do with it. Invite friends, pick up your free piece of stock, earn up to $200 in stock for every referral, and I'm going to share what I get. I'm going to share. Right, Cheryl O can do it. Fantastic. Cheryl O, look, this is the offer. This is why my referral is better than anyone else's, right? Because what I do, if you use my referral, you get free gifts from Robinhood, but also I do. And what I do is I share with you what I get. So if I get something really good, I'm going to share with you as well. Okay? So here we go then. I'm going to give everyone now the link. If you are in the US and you don't have Robinhood, set yourself up with Robinhood. I will support you. This is my Robinhood account, and you might as well set it up. If you do it live in the show, I will tell you what I've got, share with you, and everything, okay? So it's the best offer you're going to get today. I hope you get some free stocks. What does it say? We slice whole shares into fractional shares, get up to 200. 1 in 10 gets a share between $20 and $1,000. At least $50. You can get up to $1,500 a year in referring friends. Everyone gets stock. You are guaranteed stock when your friend successfully signs up and links their bank account. Keep in mind, 90% rewards the value between 5 and 10. Everyone wins. There you go. Okay. All right. Guess I need to get it. Well, yes, you do. It's the best deal. And let me know what you get. Let me know what you get. And I will share with you live on the show. If you do it now, or you link your bank account to it. Don't worry about. That's how it works. Millions of customers have linked their bank account, and people go, "Oh, I don't want to link my bank account. My bank account's linked. Millions are. It's how it works, right?" And remember, all your stocks on Robinhood are protected with insurance. They're all protected up to $250,000 anyway. Just take your crypto off and put it on your wallet, which is what I do for 100% security. Okay, very, very important. But anyway, there is the link. If you didn't get it, I'll give it to you right now. And during the live show, if you do it, I will share with you live on the show, because it will tell me. It'll go, someone's just signed up. Here's what you've won. And I will tell you what I've won. And I'll find out what you've won as well. Brilliant. Very exciting stuff. And yeah, so you know it works. So yeah, mine's linked with Coinbase. And another thing, even if you don't want to invest on the stock market, put some cash in your buying power on Robinhood. You earn 3.5%, which is more than you get in the bank by a mile. If you're a gold member, it's 3.5% on cash. That is an extremely high interest rate. It's 1,000 times. The bank pays you 0.5%, doesn't it? Anyway, brilliant, isn't it? Brilliant. Can't get better than this, folks. Can't get better than this. Right, okay. True. Exactly. Just put... this is why I said to you, I'm not buying any more stocks as they go up. I'm putting more and more money into cash now, and I'm going to have my portfolio go up and earn 3.5% on cash. 3.5% on the cash, you haven't got to do anything. It's a no-brainer. I hope everyone today takes my referral. I'll give it to you again. If you're in the US and you've not got a Robinhood account, then you're mental. It's free money sitting on the table. Anyway, let's go through the stocks. Let's see where we are. The portfolio is up now 1.34. We've got the S&P 500 up up over 5% now. Very, very good. Virgin Galactic just bouncing around the 510. That's all right. It's the mid-morning drop. Well, the on the bell drop. Expect that. Let's see where we go from here. Virgin Orbit. I'm up 1.76%. I'm going to wait till it flies, which will be any day now. Damn, I wish it was in Uganda. Robinhood is coming to the world, Zach. And you know, when it does, I will be the first person to tell you. You know that. Right, $200 a share. I expected it to be there by now. We have had the morning drop. If it doesn't go any lower, I expect it to go up from here, and I do still believe it'll hit $200 today. I thought it would be a bit quicker than that, but we'll see. Rivian just selling off a bit. Now people taking profits. That's all right. I'm not. Lucid is down 1%. That's okay. Arrival is up slightly. Amazon is up 0.18, like that. Apple today is up 0.48. Robinhood is up 1.56. How are you getting on, Cheryl? Are you doing it? Are you doing it? Is anyone doing it now? Just so I can track your progress and alert you if I get the free stocks and tell you what's going on. So anyway, McDonald's, Coca-Cola up 0.6. Johnson & Johnson up 0.72. Google is up 0.96. Very good. I'm up 3% on Google now. Microsoft, I'm up 9.52. Overall, I'm up. That's my total return now. Very good. Gove is up 9%. 10%. Gove is up 10% today. Breaking news. Meta Platforms is up 1.8. SoFi has gone down. I'm going to buy more at 4 if it does. I am buying some crypto right now. Did you set it up already? So Cheryl O, did you just set up? You just set up Robinhood using my referral. Am I right? And did you link your bank account? Because I would have thought I'd have been notified. I've not been notified. It probably hasn't processed your. You've done that incredibly quick. My gosh. How are you buy? I'm buying some crypto right now. Oh, you haven't done it yet. Okay. I thought, bloody hell, that was quick. It takes a few minutes to get through. You got to do a few, security checks, and you know how it goes. I was impressed you'd done it already. Anyway, IonQ is up 0.19. Walmart just down slightly. I have some trading to do. Okay. Target down 1.41. Tesco up 2%. Let's have a look at Tesco. When am I going to sell this then? Arrival is up 10% as well. SoFi gives 3.25 on savings and 250 on checking accounts when you set up direct deposit. Yeah, that's good as well. I'm not that fast. No, I didn't think you would be. I thought, bloody hell. Anyway, very impressed. SoFi. Right, let me have a look. Over the year. Okay, I'm looking to sell somewhere around. I mean, I'm not trying to get it to $12. Somewhere around the 10. So I've got a ways to go yet, but it's early days. And another month from now, let the Christmas shoppers come into Tesco's, make some money on Christmas, and then we'll look to try and sell some. Anyway, from anti-work to ActuWage. Most disgruntled workers flocked to Reddit in 2022. From anti-work to ActuWage, most disgruntled workers flocked to Reddit in 2022. That's interesting. That's coming from Churchy. Okay, we're coming up to the hour. And it's time for a quick commercial. We've also got Day Trader of the Day as well. We got special guests on the show tomorrow as well. A lot going on. Cash prize giveaways tomorrow. Lots of news here on YouTube. Come and join us. YouTube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Links in the profile. Come and join us. Russian oil sanctions are about to kick in, says Churchy, and they could disrupt market in a big way. I don't think anything's going to stop what's happening now. Millions suffer from long COVID, and it's cost $9,000 a year in healthcare expenses on average. Bloody hell. Who's going to win the World Cup? Necking the tea like a pint of Karev. Yes. Love it. Well, I actually prefer, I like Karev. I do like Karev, but I do actually prefer Doombar and Tribute. My Tribute's my number one. Doombar's next. Karev is next. All right? Just so you know. Just so you know. We like nice English warm beer, not this freezing cold ice cubes nonsense, all that stuff. Anyway, it's time for a very quick commercial break. I'll see you back in 10... Oops, got to do that first. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Okay, we are back. Let's see. It didn't do it that time. So, right, I'm doing a little test, learning how the ad works. Anyway, I'll keep my eye on that. Keep learning. Keep learning. Keep on swimming. Keep on swimming. Broke and down to one credit card. Former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried claims he committed no fraud. Oh, really? I may be the day trader of the day. Oh, you reckon? Do you think Germany will win 8-0 against Costa Rica today? They need this difference to be sure. Is that what they need? 8-0 against Costa Rica? No chance. Is that what they need? 8-0? Bloody hell. No, Germany are going home. Germany are going home. Oh, they'll love all that. Oh, dear, oh, dear. Oh, dear, oh, dear. Okay. So we're at 46,000. 56% of you said no, you will not get to 50,000 today. I said it's an 80% chance. It's very early in the morning. Very early in the morning. I'm glad I didn't lose money on FTX. No. Biggest con going. To be sure if Japan wins against Spain. Okay. It's very complicated, isn't it? Very complicated stuff. Right. Let's go back over to see what's what. Right then, if you are watching the show right now and you've not subscribed and rung the bell, help us out. Subscribe and ring the bell. Give us a little thumbs up. And I'm going to put a minute on the clock. I want 35 likes in 1 minute. I got no chance. I'm going to do it anyway. Let's see. Here we are. Look, we're at 30 likes. I want to see if I can get to 35 likes. See it? Look, 30 likes. You ready? Boom, chicky, 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 boom, pow, pow. Said it, boom, chicky, 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 boom, pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. I need 35 likes in 35 seconds. That was pretty good, wasn't it? That was good timing. Boom, chicky, 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 boom, pow, pow. Said it, boom, chicky, 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 boom, pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please, stand up. What's going on? Nothing's actually moving. Am I doing this for no reason? 31. Flipping it. I ain't doing it for no reason. I got 31. I'll call it a day. I'll call it. I'm okay with that. Right. It's Crystal Ball prediction. Or 32 now. 32. All right. Crystal Ball. Here he is. Dexter Sickles. Where were you last night? Didn't see you till the end. Where were you? I smashed it. He said, to be sure if Japan wins. I smashed it. Do just spit. What's all that? What? Christian Flores? What's all that about? What's Christian Flores talking about? I don't know what that's all about. Anyway, we're at 1.74, 46,000. Hi, Dexter says, that was amazing. What was amazing? Crystal Flores, welcome to our show. Welcome. We got another new gold member this morning. Thank you ever so much indeed for upgrading to gold. We've now got 11 gold members, I think. It's slang. It's slang. What's it slang for? Christian Flores. We've got a guest here. Would everybody please welcome Christian Flores? Welcome to officially the highest engagement rate on YouTube for live members who are viewers. Over 95% of our viewers are members. Higher than Mr. Beast, higher than Bloomberg by a mile. All right, it's what we do. We're here to help and support everyone. Raise over $1 million for our members in charity fundraisers on the Martyn Lucas Music Channel. And we got cash giveaways coming up tomorrow for everyone. It's free to enter, free for all. Everyone, please give Christian Flores, a welcome. I think it's the first time here. There he is on the screen. And put your cities and countries, everybody, and welcome him in. Right, let's go through our stocks and see what's moving. Did we get up to 100 people through the stream so far? Let's have a look. 72 is now 97. There you go. Look at that. 97. The biggest thing that people are searching for now is Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic has just started to spike. This is what's trending on my channel. I rank #1 in the world on YouTube for SPCE stock, and people are searching for it again today. The 1,000 flights, no surprise at all. Let's see if we gain any subscribers. 5,571. We've lost one. I always love when I go down. There's always someone who goes, I don't want this anymore. I tell you what that is, by the way. If that ever happens to anyone's YouTube channel, if you are a YouTuber and you wake up one day and your subscribers goes down, don't take it personally. What it is actually is from time to time, YouTube clean out spam bots, and dead accounts. If you've not watched for a year, they delete your account. People do die, of course. People leave channels and don't exist anymore. They delete them. So you do lose one now and again. It's part of it. Doesn't mean to say everyone's turned against you. Don't worry about that. Welcome, mate. There you go. Chris, thank you. Much appreciated. Getting a great welcome in today. Look at that. Must be one of those bots. Yeah, Running Diary. Running Diary has just joined the Gold Club. I need to start putting, I'm going to start putting on the screen, actually, a little thing. I used to have it, and it was I think it was this. Was it Ticker Gold? No, I deleted it. I took it away. I'm going to bring it back. I'm going to bring it back, a gold recognition for the gold members. I really want to find a way to recognize our gold members, because we have an insane amount of gold members now. Anyway. Okay. Now then, a question I got asked this morning on Discord. People want to send in stuff to the studio for Christmas, like Christmas cards. If you want to send in a Christmas card and you want me to hold it up, I'm going to have a display of Christmas presents and Christmas cards behind me. We've got Bill's crystal ball. It's going up on a shelf, and all the Christmas cards from you. If you want to send in gifts and stuff like that, you can. And we're looking at doing a sort of a charity fundraiser with the gifts. If I've got some ideas that we can all benefit our fundraisers. Like we got Zach, of course, we can support his charity and so on. So if you want to send Christmas cards in or stuff like that, here's my Amazon Christmas list. So this gives you the address, so you can actually go on Amazon, buy a Christmas card or a gift. If you want something to be sent into the studio, you can. And I'm putting it's members only. Please, only members. Everything is members only now, isn't it? It's the members only club. Right, there it is, and you can see on there how you can send stuff in. Anyway, if you want to see gifts on the show, we can do that. All right. Okay. The S&P just dropping off a little bit. Now then, tomorrow, don't forget to join us tomorrow morning. Alex Agut, he is the CEO, co-founder of Handcash. He is joining us tomorrow. If you are a member, you can call in via Discord. If you're not a member, here is the Discord link for those of you that aren't members. You can come into Discord for free, but you just can't call into the show, and you can't speak to me 24/7, and the exclusive channels. Ed Nevius has a great channel, so does Muzanella and others. So you can see all the public channels. Anyway, wow, it's full when the markets are green. Yeah, always. Everyone's here when the markets are green, which is the back to front, guys. You should be here on the red days. The red days is when we do the work. The red days is when we make our money. The green days is when we just sit and watch. I never understand that people it's always busy on the green days. But that's how people think. I don't understand it. Anyway, Virgin Orbit, we're waiting for the flights. The flights are in December. I got some information this morning about the flights. We just know it's in December. We don't know what day yet. And as soon as I know, you will know. I took some profit on Google and will buy back when lower. See, I wouldn't do that, Mike. I'm just holding my Google. I don't think it's the right time at all. I know I'm up 2.5%, whatever, but I just think it's just worth holding it. I really do. It's all been oversold. I mean, look, Google was. I bought it here at the bottom. Over 5 years. Look, I mean, why would you sell it now? I don't know. I don't know. I'm not selling anything. And I don't even care if it goes down. I'll just buy some more. Yeah. Anyway, we're trying to sell some R1 RCM. Was up 9%. That's different. That's different. I've only got, 2.5%. If you're up 9%, I think that's different, isn't it? Take some profit off the table. Yeah. Never lost money taking profits, did you? I'm up 24% now on this one. Now, this was a very small fund stock. It wasn't making money. It was just, I'm only up $18, but it's $92. It's just a fun thing, but it's not a stock I'm interested in. It's not a stock I research. It's nothing I get involved in. So at the end of the day, I can put that money back in the bank, But anyway, the reason why it went down so much because of a bad debt. Look, it fell off. One company didn't pay its debts. So the market, the stock price collapsed. It's all coming back. It's had a steady growth over 5 years. It's a reasonable company for the limited experience that I've put on it. So I'm not too worried. Right, we're actually down now. Look at that. We're actually in the red. Down 0.15. But remember, we gained 10% yesterday. We've got profit taking now. That's all because of Mike, look, selling his Google. He's driving the market down. Gold and silver is up. Gold and silver is up. That's from Cheryl O. Just come on in. S&P is just dropping down. I just made out like a bandit of Mullen. Made out like a bandit. How is Mullen today? Prison stocks booming. Ford is doing well according to Churchy. Virgin Orbit, we're waiting for a little bit of a bounce on the flights. Buy the rumour, sell the news. Yes, I like to be rebellious. We've noticed that, Mike. We've always seen that with you. Anyway. Tesla, 193. We're getting a bit of a sell-off this morning. Oh, look at this. Now, this is what happens now. Everyone's going to go, see, there's no bull market. It's all over. Everything's rubbish. I'm selling everything. Well, I'm not. But you do what you want. Okay. Now then, if you've just tuned in today and you want to be in our cash prize giveaway tomorrow for Twitch, it's free. All you got to do is subscribe for free using Amazon Prime Gaming. Link it to your account. There is the Twitch link. All links are below. Did anyone take advantage of my my Robinhood stock giveaway today? I hope you did. We're giving away Apple stocks, Tesla stocks, all sorts today. Really good. Robinhood giveaway. There we go. Let me give it to you again in case you didn't get it. You got to be in the US and you've got to not have Robinhood. But anyway, I will share with you what I get. You will see what I get, and everybody wins, right? Virgin Orbit, yes, Virgin Orbit today is up 3.09. It's just dropped back now to 1.95. We're just getting a bit of a mid-morning sell-off. I would love to be able to buy Amazon at my all-time low, which is $85. Love it. $10 more to go. And we can load up on Amazon, but not a penny more. Apple, Robinhood. Now, I'm going to open the broadcast lounge. If anybody wants to call in today, this is members only. If you are a member, you will see the broadcast lounge. Oops, why did that do that? Sorry, on TikTok, you got a bit disconnected then. What do you think about Open Door? I've not done enough research on it. We did look at it before, but no, I'm not. I'm from Texas, new here. Hello. Well, I'm from Dallas, Texas. We've got lots of Texans here today, but we're actually on YouTube. This is my YouTube broadcast. You're looking at my phone on TikTok, looking at my YouTube broadcast. If you want to join me on YouTube, that's where our family is. Come and say hello to all our Dallas friends. Austin and Dallas and all over the place. It's youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Same name as this channel, Martyn Lucas Investor. I'm live right now. This is me live, much better experience. That's where my serious investors and traders are. And tomorrow, we've got a star guest on the show. Plus, we have a cash prize giveaway. Come and join us. Links in the profile, or just type it in, Martyn Lucas Investor, into YouTube. All right, the Discord lounge is now open for all YouTube members. If you want to call in, you can. Very low trading volume on Rumble today. Average 2 million, only 100,000 a day. Good sign that the stock can stabilise. Manchester United stock's booming again. Oh, no. Not this rumour again. Not that again. What is it this time, church? What is it this time? Duplicate. Let me go. Let me have a little look. Man United. We got obsession with Man United now. Man U. Manchester United. The stock doesn't make money. It's just booming on trends. Oh, come on, Churchy. It's not booming. It's up 3%. That's not booming. Look, it popped up on the news of Apple supposed to be buying it. It's because it's up for sale. The Glaziers are out. The stock doesn't make money. The company doesn't make money. It spends too much money on its players. Why are people investing in a bad team? 3% in one day is a boom. No, it's not. No, it's not. 3% is not a boom. And they make money. Manchester United don't make money. They've got loads of debt. The stock price has been going down for 5 years. That tells you everything you need to know. Look, straight down. It made money because everyone hates the Glaziers, and protest votes like DWAC and Donald Trump and all that stuff. Everyone went, great, let's buy it. That's the only reason it went up. And it popped up again this morning, and now it's been it's behaving exactly like DWAC, exactly like GameStop, exactly like AMC, and exactly like Bed Bath and Beyond. You want to get into that? You crack on. I am not buying it. If you say so. Look at the balance sheet. I'm not looking at the balance sheet. I haven't got time. But I'm sure you're right. Churchy, if you say the balance sheet says they got loads of money, I'm sure they have. But if they have, why does the share price keep going down? I bet there's more to that balance sheet than meets the eye. I'm just saying. Just saying. Right, we're down 1.59. We gained 10% yesterday. Does that mean the world's coming to an end? What's everybody think? I bet you J&J is all right. That's flat. There you go. And Google, Coca-Cola is flat. And McDonald's is down by nothing. TOP boomed for me today. Congratulations, Nitz Farreld. TOPS boomed today. Right, the broadcast lounge is open. No one's in there right now. Awesome stuff. And we've got Day Trader of the Day coming up today as well. Healthy correction. Is that what you think it is? All right. Okay. Let's bring everybody up to date. Let's check some news. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. And let's carry on investing. Okay, here we go. I'll be right back after a 10-second break. Here we go. Right. What's going on with these ads? I'm not seeing them anymore. I was seeing them earlier. Did anybody get an... Well, nobody will know, will they? Nobody will know because they're watching the ad. Anyway. Coca-Cola up flat right now. What's our crypto doing? R1 RCM. I want to sell this position now. It's not... I'm up 24%, which is great. It's a good little profit, isn't it? I think I might have a bit of patience though, because it's done well, but there is a way for it to go though. I don't know if it will go up to here. I don't know how far it's going to go. I've got no idea. But I mean, we're at 741. No, I beg your pardon. We're at 921. We're at 921, and maybe around $10, something like that. $10, $11. I might just sell some. Round about here, round about there, $10, $11. I've got no specific number. I've not done any research on it. We only bought it for a bit of fun. But I would like to clean it up so I don't have to focus my time on it. Ethereum is down 1.37. Bitcoin is down as well. My average is 15.7. It's okay. Remember, all my Bitcoin is now on my ledger. It's not even on here. Enphase Energy taking a bit of a dip today. Opportunity to buy more. Let's open up our Rio Tinto as well. Rio Tinto, that might be interesting as well. Rio, and we're dancing in the sand. Oh yeah, Rio Tinto. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, Manchester United still going down. So a bit pop this morning, but that's it. Up 30% on Rio Tinto. I love this stock. It's got one of the best dividends there is. Keeps making money. I've got orders placed for dips. And we always get dips when commodity prices change. Stock doesn't represent a company. That's correct. We know that. That's like saying Nintendo isn't a good company because their stock doesn't move. No, correct. However, it's the price you pay for the stock. If the stock price never moves, what difference does it make? I agree with you. The stock price is not the value of the company. But if you buy a company to make money and the stock price never makes any money, at the same time, what's the point? It doesn't do anything, does it? So at the Rio Tinto, we're at the top of a climb at the minute. So we want to, I think you just like saying it. Profit. I'm just reading. It's called stash stock. Stash stock. Hey, Mike, when you buy a stock at let's say $10 and it goes to 15, I sell, make $5 and buy back when it hits 10 again, and bought at really $5 because of profit invested. That's okay. Yeah. What you just said there. Hey, Martin, when you buy a stock at, let's say, $10 and it goes to $15, I sell, make $5 and buy back when it's 10 again, and bought at really $5 because of the profit invested. That's okay. Yeah, that's correct. I have 6.3 shares at 60.97. Nice one, mate. Very, very good. I like Rio Tinto. Everyone likes Rio Tinto. That's what I'm doing when it's a green market. That's what you're doing, is it? All right then. Small profit, but trading. Yes. Nothing wrong with that. You stash a few thousand and collect dividends. Man United makes profit every year as the fourth largest fan base, and the fans are idiots for still going to games. That's nice. You want to buy shares in a company and call the fans idiots. That's brilliant. They are your customers. So you're all idiots. Right? Everyone who watches my show is an idiot because I make money out of everybody. What are you on about? I know it sounds elementary. It doesn't. It's perfectly good, mate. We're down 1.7 today. Is everybody fearful? I am an idiot. Well, we're all idiots, aren't we? Every one of us is an idiot. Especially me. I'm the biggest idiot of the lot. Oh, man. Okay. Let's do day trader of the day now, I reckon. I reckon we should do day trader of the day right now. I think it's essential. I think it's essential that we do day trader of the day. No, soft trend down today after the pops yesterday. Mason Kirk says, no, soft trend down today after the pop yesterday. Yeah, exactly. You can't have it all go one way. Mason Kirk, he's dead right. One of our members here. Can't wait to see the first person turn gold. It'll probably be Bill, unless Muzanella comes in. I think Muzanella beat him by a day. Depends if Muz comes in or not. 0.72 up. Right, let's do it. Let's do day trader of the day. I think we should. I think it's important. I think we'll do it now. Here we go. So here's my position. I am down today. Okay. Are we down today? 1.59%. Down 1.5. It's getting better all the time. Right. Once the first person posts, make sure everyone's pressed the live button so you're all live. Okay, here we go. 1 minute on the clock. Max is up 0.72, down 1.73. Stephen Lewandowski. I have to do under 5 day trades because I have lost the balance you need not to be named a day trader. Oh yes, you mean a pattern day trader, you mean, yes. Down 1.59. I am the Eggman. They are the Eggman. I'm the Walrus. Goo goo be choo. There you go. Down 0.22. Down up 0.72. Andrew Grady. Up. Look at Church. He's always moaning, and yet look, he's up 6%. Look at him. Look. Down 2.7. Overall, I'm up 6.1. Up 2.89. Oh, Bill's got a good score today. However, Church of Logic, well, you're moaning about Church. You were telling me that yesterday you were coming in here, you were doom and gloom yesterday. It's rubbish, I'm making no money, everything's all gone down the toilet, everything's terrible. And yet you're up 6.12. However, Nitz Farreld, in the last couple of seconds, posted a score that just beats it. Drinks are not on Churchy, I'm afraid. Grim Reaper just gets under my skin. Don't let that happen, mate. You're too good for that. Nitz Farrell, I'm afraid, takes your crown away. The Church of Logic, he takes it away. Thank you very much for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. And let's give him the sound effects. Churchy comes a very good second, though. There you go, Nitz Farrell. Not too bad, right? Nitz Farrell is up today, 10%. Crag is down 1.72. Good job, Nitz. Yeah, absolutely right. So the overall portfolio for me is just falling off. I'm not selling anything. I'm not doing anything. Not today. Thank you, sir. You're very welcome. I'd love to buy some more Rio Tinto. Very small position. Congratulations, Nitz. I'm trying to buy at my all-time lows, but none of them are coming off today. I'm down mainly because of Virgin Galactic, but Virgin Orbit is balancing it out. I've got the information that they are flying in December. They've released that information, but not the actual date, so that doesn't help us. I'm really surprised, actually. Surprised to not see Tesla go to $200 a share today. I have to be honest. The semi information is phenomenal. But, however, you know, it's okay. It's been a while. Yeah. Rivian down 4.87. Look at that. We're getting some big drops today. I'd love to be able to buy Amazon. I don't think it's going to let me buy it at 85. That would be just too good. Going to look at Essentia again if it goes below 270. Apple, I've got buys at 130. McDonald's, Coca-Cola. Nitz made enough to become a member. Just saying. Yeah, Nitz made enough to become a member. Just saying. Power and Beauty, you tell him. You tell him. Nitz Farrell. Yeah, shall we give him the invitation? Shall we give... I think he said before he can't do it. I don't know why. Someone else said that they couldn't do it. I don't believe any of that nonsense. We know they can do it. We want 100% members here. Then we'll start doing members-only streams for members only. Then we'll start doing members-only chats. We'll lock it all down. We'll lock it all down. From what I'm seeing, option Y's yesterday was a huge overshort coverage. Mason Kirk. I made 1,172% on those calls. Oh my gosh. Mason Kirk's making the money then, right? Let's go around Mason Kirk's house for a beer. I don't mean to be repeating, but it's more work to watch stocks. Hang on. Oh, you retracted it. You retracted it. I was just reading it out then. I was reading it and it disappeared. Tesla would have not, if not for the recall. The recall doesn't concern me. All manufacturers have those issues. I have a thing. He has a thing. See, he has a thing. He can't be a member because he has a thing. Microsoft is down 1.64. Meta is up 0.47. SoFi is down 3%. Trying to buy it at $4. I sneak my payment on my wife's credit card, and I have for groceries. I sneak my payment on the wife's credit card. Bloody hell, mate. What are you like? IonQ. I still think my portfolio has bottomed, and what I mean by that is I'm not able to buy any all-time lows, and I think that's the case. Tilray Brands. So now we've had that morning sell-off. Let's see if we can get things to rebound back and then go higher again. That's what we want. There we go. Getting a first little bounce. Let's see how it goes. I'm down 1.66. Kidakazi. Hi, Sir Martin. Kidakazi's here. Hello. How are you? Welcome. Is anybody in the broadcast lounge? No, nobody in. By the way, if you've never been onto Discord, we now have 398 members. If anyone ever messages you on Discord, it's not me. Same as TikTok, it's not me. Do not respond. They try and sell you stuff. I ban every single person that comes on as a scammer. But once they get your information, of course, they can message you. They're not on the server. They're just messaging you. Okay. So my server is clean. So if you're not on Discord, here is our Discord link. We want to get to 500. Here is Discord. Let me give it to you right now. We're 2 away from 400. There you go. There's Discord. And also trying to get to 1,000 on Twitter. Twitter's interesting. Here is, I used to think it was a bit of a joke, but now I'm actually understanding how it works. There is Twitter. Follow me on Twitter as well. Okay. And on Twitter, I'm now up to 490. Very good. Okay. Right, we're going to wrap up today's show, I think. It's been a good morning. I think here comes the bounce. 59% said no, you would not make $50,000 today. I still actually think it's possible. I think once this morning sell-off finishes, I think we're going to rally up again. Anyway, we'll see. We're going up now, as you can see, quite quickly. I guess that's what they call scalping. Yeah, it is. That's exactly what that is. We should be at 45,000 in any time, really. Let's see if we can do that. And 113 through the show. So we probably would end up with 200 if we kept going till 10, but we're going to end the show because I've got to make some videos and I've got to do some research on my guests for tomorrow and also prepare for the giveaways as well tomorrow. We've got giveaways tomorrow. We've got 2, of course, if you remember, for Twitch and for YouTube. So we've got a lot to prepare for tomorrow. It's a big day on our show. And this afternoon, we might have a bunch of ladies joining us which is unusual for our show, of course. We only have a couple of ladies here. This afternoon, we've got the closing bell, and right at the end of the show, we're going to celebrate a birthday. Yes, that's happening at the end of today's show. What do you mean you will make 65,000? 65,000? I said 50,000. I said, would I get to 50,000, not 65? And the poll was, would I get there today? 59% said no. How many people voted, by the way? Let's have a little look. How many people voted for that? 34 votes. It's interesting. 34 votes. What do you mean? What do you mean? How will I make that? This is my portfolio. This is my value. This is what my portfolio is worth. And I said, would I get to 50,000 today? I think I gave it an 80% chance. I still do. And we had the morning sell-off. That's expected. By buying and selling shares. I don't need to buy and sell anything. I'm just holding it. The value's going up, look. 44, that's what I'm worth right now, 44,956. It's about to go to 45,000. And I said, would I reach 50,000? There you go, look. 50,000 by the end of the day. And I said 80% chance I will. Large pump yesterday, signal sell-off. Not really. I think the fact that the Fed are going to slow on rates, I think is good. Remember, the economy is 6 months behind the markets. So if you're waiting for the economy to be great and everyone to be rich and everyone to be brilliant in the world, then you're going to miss the rise of the markets. You are worth too little, 45,000 only. Realism in the market, just because rate hikes decrease, is still yes, it is. It is. Which is great for banks, which is great for Robinhood, which is great for SoFi. Warning, Kidakazi, what's a warning? Not good for stocks. What, the rate that the rates are going up? No, it's not good for stocks that the rates are going up. However, it's good that the rates are slowing and we're looking forward, and the markets trade 6 months ahead. And all we're waiting is for the rates to start slowing and then reversing, and then the market will explode. That's what it's all about. So you want to be in the market, and this is exactly what I'm doing. Anyway, the S&P 500, despite it dropped off today 0.5%, I'm still up 4%, $748. I'm looking forward to the day when I can say I've made $1,000 on the S&P 500. No mocking investors. Wealth is how you feel, not dollar value. Oh, I see what Church is saying. Oh, I see. Church is defending me. I see what he's doing. Right, Virgin Galactic come back up again. Emirates come back up. There we go. Virgin Orbit, we got the flights any day now. In December, it was supposed to be November. I still think we're just kidding. Yeah, I thought he was kidding as well, Church. Church is very sensitive today. Very sensitive today, Churchy is. He's very protective of the family. Kidakazi, I know you're just joking. You put LOL at the end, and that's absolutely fine. I am only worth 45 grand. That's a fact. That's a guaranteed fact. I am fine with everything. You can't upset me. Well, you can actually. Just check in. There you go. See? Church is very protective of the family. One of our top members for the longest time. Lucid going sideways, still not good. Can't wait for Lucid to start getting itself together. Amazon, trying to buy more at 85. Won't let me though. Apple, Robinhood. He's priceless, says the Power and Beauty. Yeah, I am priceless, apparently, says the Power and Beauty. McDonald's still going down. Oh, hello. Bit of a discount today. Coca-Cola, J&J, Google, Microsoft. Bit of a trim off, but we are making it back. Good morning, all. Queen of Self-Braiding just turned up. Where have you been? You're missing our party. We've got a birthday party. Church of Logic says, check PLTR. Of course I will. you are a member, so I will do that. Palantir Technologies. Everyone God created is priceless. For serious matter. So there we go. Kidakazi. Right. Up 4% today. Let's have a closer look at this. Palantir. Good technology, by the way. Involved in the government. No one can replace broken limp. What's that then? I do have PLTR as well. Hey, the Queen's here. There we go. Down 21.8. Over the year, it's been going sideways. Up and down. Very volatile. Look, we don't like a chart like that. Good for scalp trading, by the way. Swing trading is perfect if you like that sort of chart. Palantir is on a rise again. So because it goes up and down, you want to buy it around 720, around here. So I wouldn't buy it now. Up on the week. But of course, it is down. It's got it could break through, and it could go back up here. But it's diluted since then and watered down its stock, and so it's not necessarily going to go up there. The average volume is 26 million. Today it is 11.32. Churchy says he's selling it at 9. Okay. It's good to have a plan, isn't it? Good to have a plan. Okay. We're going to end the show, I think. It's time to roll the credits, just about. I want to thank everyone for joining me this morning. We are back, of course, for the closing bell. This afternoon is going to be a special one because we do have a group of ladies joining us for a birthday. At least I hope so. They were all invited, so we'll see what happens. That's right at the end of the show this afternoon. And then in the morning, we have 2 cash giveaways. One for our Twitch subscribers. Remember, if you've not renewed your Twitch, many of you haven't. We've got the cash giveaway. It helps the channel grow. It costs you nothing using Amazon Prime. Many of you have let your subscriptions lapse. If you've got Amazon Prime, you can get Amazon Gaming for free and Twitch subscription for free. There is my Twitch below the video. All right, and we've now got 11 subscribers. Tomorrow we will do a draw and give away a cash prize for that. Also, we've got the cash prize for this show as well on YouTube. On top of that, we also have our star guest Alex Agut on the show tomorrow. That'll be good as well. It's annoying, said the Church Queen of Logic. What's going on? What's annoying? To me, it's pointless. I don't have 100 grand or more to get real gains. Who has ever felt like selling everything and close a trading account? Yeah, I often think like that. But the trouble is, though, if you sell everything and close it and start again, it does look like you're up. I get it. But you're not up. You're just kidding yourself. You know, I thought about it. Sell everything, close the account, open a new account, and I would be up on everything, right? All my 50% losses would be gone. But then I've still lost that money. It just, you know, and also if you sell all your shares, right, you've then got to buy them back lower. No point buying them back higher. So I wouldn't go around closing your account and starting again unless you've got a really, really good reason to do that. So don't just go around closing accounts. I did that, Queen, January 2021, sold all my oil stocks and then got back in. If the losses that make you a better trader, it's the losses that make you a better trader, yes. You're dead right. Stephen Lewandowski. Right, we're nearly green again. Still believe 50,000 today is possible. I've given myself an 80% chance. I think in the afternoon we'll get a rise. But we'll see. It's not a game. This is real money. Yeah, it's not a game. It is a game. It's real money, but it definitely is a game. We're all being played. What are you on about? If you're a landlord, if you're a landlord knocks on your door, you would sell. Yeah, he's right there. If your landlord knocks on your door, you would sell. Yeah, he's right there. The S&P's coming up. We're all coming back up again now. Look, I think in the next couple of minutes, I'll turn green. That's all the scalp traders buying back in again. No surprise. My landlord called me yesterday. So yes, I wanted to sell. Yesterday, I almost broke down. We know, church. We know how close you were yesterday. But remember, things wasn't as bad for you yesterday as they were for Ed Nevius, right? One of his family members took their own lives. So let's keep ourselves strong, guys. Tesla's going to $200 a share. Stand by that. Rivian's coming back up again. Lucid. Next week is scary times for me. Tell us more. Church, if you want to call in and tell us exactly what you mean, please do. Amazon, up. Moving up. 0.5% now away from being green today. Remember, we had 20% a couple of weeks ago. We had 10% yesterday. It's all good. Can't just go straight line up all the time. J&J, Google, Microsoft, Meta, $200 a share as well, just like Tesla. Completely different stock though, rated differently. There it goes again. SoFi, I like SoFi. IonQ, I like that one as well. Church of Logic, praying for you, bro. If anyone needs a prayer, please contact me. I am interceder. What's that? I might have to sell my IRA and portfolio to save me from living in my car. Sheriff told me I got until December the 5th. Bloody hell, church. Yeah, Kidakazi, one of our family members yesterday called into the show in absolute tears. I was making some jokes and he got offended. And there was nothing wrong with my jokes. It's the same as I always say to everybody. Was having some banter, but I said something's happened because he disconnected from the show, and I said everyone can get offended over nothing because if they're having a bad day or something in their life can trigger anything, and it triggered him, and he left, and then we kept calling out for him because we knew what I'd said hadn't been, it was just a bit of fun, and then he came back in again, and he called into the show in floods of tears, explaining that a member of his family committed suicide and took their own lives, and he was in tears, and of course, because of that, he was affected. He was very on edge and very easy to be upset. So that's what happened. But he came in, talked to us, and then he came. He called me after the show, and we had a conversation, and we talked, and I listened to him for about half an hour, and we spoke, and he popped into the show this morning. I don't know if Ed Nevius is still in right now. Let me have a look, Ed. Yes, he is. He actually is. Hi, Ed. There we go. Look, he's actually in the stream right now. Due to stock market trading, I no idea. I've no idea. I don't know. I don't think so. I think it was a completely separate incident, but that was his day, his life, what happened to him, and we were here to support him. So afterward, after the show, we actually did some music on my other channel, and everyone joined in, and we played some music, and he's now playing that video of that music to his family. And they said it's given them some comfort and support, and they appreciated that everyone joined in and everyone sent love, and you know he felt really supported. So there we go. It was a very, 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 very tough day. We've had it all happening on the show. We've had people die on the show. We've had people in hospital with COVID, flu. We've had people with cancer. We've had birthday celebrations. We've had people get rich. We've had people get margin called. Rob Brennan lost all his money. We've had all kinds of ups and downs on the show, and that's what this show's about. That's why we go live every day. That's why everyone's a member. Otherwise, I would just be a YouTuber making videos. This is about a community, and it's why I'm always live. Anyway, I said I'd turn green today, and there we go. Just a couple of seconds to go now, and we'll be green again. The morning sell-off has ended. Now everyone's buying back in again and selling again. But of course, remember, people are paying these prices, and the more scalp trading we get, you just keep resetting the bar higher, because the people are buying in now aren't going to sell by going up 1%. Pointless. The scalp trading just slowly drives the markets up. And that's exactly what's happening right now. People are buying in now, aren't going to sell in 5 minutes, are they? What's the point? Anyway, got a big decision to make tomorrow. Might be out of the market for a good while. That seems to be a shame to me. Just as the markets are starting to bottom, you're going to get out. You've gone through the pain now for all this time together, a year and a half, and now you're going to get out just as the markets start to recover. What would be the point of that, church? You're up 6.5% today, one of the best days you've had. Why are you getting out of the market? I don't understand that. Just at the time where I could make money, why everything is low. So why would you get out? What would be the point? Why are you bringing doom on yourself? Why are you bringing gloom on yourself? You've just said you're up today 6.5%. The markets are starting to bottom. We're starting to enter the bottom of the bull market. Sorry, the bottom of the bear market. It's not bullish yet, but it's not that far away. Why on earth would you get out now? You just switched to British accent. What do you mean? Do I change my voice? Got a lot of rent to pay back after 2 job losses this year. No, I understand that, but I mean, I'm assuming you've made profits, and the profits are paying for the rent, right? Is that what you're saying? Assuming that's what you must mean. Anyway. We'll carry on a bit longer, so let me just run my commercial break and we'll carry on. I was going to end, but stick with me. We're just talking to church and supporting everybody. So let me take a quick break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we're back. All right. I'll explain more at closing bell. Okay. Yeah, we look forward to having that conversation. Let's have a little look. There'll always be rent. There won't always be an opportunity. Easy to say, harder to live, I know. Totally right. Running Diary, by the way, became a gold member today, I believe. Very, very exciting. Got a gold member today. That's really, really cool. 116 now through the show. 5,570 subscribers. That's very nice. And And one last time before we go, I'm going to give anyone who's US who were giving away some Apple stocks today, pretty cool. There is my Robinhood referral if you're able to set up an account in the US if you don't already have Robinhood. People who are renting are hurting more than homeowners. Yeah, landlords keep increasing rental prices. Awful, awful, awful. Love you, Ed. Truly feel for you. Make sure you get some sun today, if possible. I'll explain more at closing bell, says Church. I fall 2 weeks late and my landlord adds interest and late fees and 1 month behind. That is terrible. Terrible. I'm sorry you're going through that. That is why I'm trying to buy a house with my investments. Yeah, I can understand. Awful. I have a sick mother, 72, that I care for and have nothing else to fall back on. Oh, man. Yeah, that's tough, isn't it? That is bloody tough. You're dead right there. Oh, man. I'm so sorry to hear that, mate. Tesla up 0.25. Rivian is coming back up again. That's good to see. Let's have a little look. Yeah, running day. Joined today as a gold member. I was just checking that and seeing, looking at our members and seeing we're at 100 now, 100 members. Here we go. Let's go back to the main portfolio now. We are definitely in the green now. They should stop the interest. Speak to Citizen Advice. Citizen Advice. You're from England, right? Running Diary. They don't have Citizen Advice in the UK, in the US. I don't think. I think it worked different in the US. Yeah, it does. Andrew, Running Day and Andrew Grady. They're my Cornwall lads. Yeah, we don't have Citizen Advice in the US. I'm afraid. It's a very different system over here. Everything costs money. There's no free services like we have in England. I don't buy anything for myself. I just pay bills and rent and save a little to throw into my investments accounts to get me out of the rat race. Yeah. Here he is. Look, Ed. Bless you, church. I'm praying for you. Love you all. Phone on charger. Earbud in. There you go. There you go. Ed Nevius. Are you US church? Yeah, thought you were UK. My mistake. Yeah. No, he's from the US. He's from New York area. Thank you, Ed. Ed, same to you, mate. I felt everything from you yesterday. Wasn't it tough yesterday? Oh, my gosh. Right. I still believe that 80% chance today I will hit $50,000. I don't know. We shall see. What is making it? What is not? Rio Tinto is up today. I've only got 4 shares now. I cashed out, waiting for it to go back down again. Hope to be a British citizen someday. Well, I'll put a stop to that. If anyone asks me, Church of Logic, no, we don't want him over here. We're not having you. The S&P is flat at the moment, up 4.56. The money's coming back from Virgin Galactic. There you go. I watch UK TV all the time. Well, that's not enough to become a British citizen, mate. Watch the TV and that gets you in. Be great to have you here. It's a good tax break. Ahad Katak. How do you feel about NEO? How do I feel about NEO? I wouldn't touch NEO. It's Chinese stocks. Don't like Chinese stocks. Not interested in Chinese stocks. Ahad Katak. How are you? We got a guest. Let's welcome a guest in. Let's make our guests feel welcome. Put your city and country in. Ahad, let us know where you're from. And everybody else, put your city and countries in. You'll notice everyone's a member here. Ahad, we've got the best, most engaged channel on YouTube. Ratio of live viewers to our members. The weather might put you off. Yeah, mind you, he's from New York. It rains all the time in New York. Yeah, I'm just reading it now, look. England's always dry. Oh, yeah. It's always sunny, isn't it? Higher had middle. There you go. All the members are putting there from Pakistan. I think that's the first person from Pakistan. We've had people from India, but I think Pakistan the first time. Hey, this is awesome. Welcome to the show. My name is Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man. Here's my TV studio. I'm in Dallas, Texas. Let me give you a wave. Hello, Pakistan. How are you? Even though I'm from Cornwall in the United Kingdom, I go live 10 hours a day, live trading, live investing. Welcome to our family. You've come at the good time because we've got a cash giveaway tomorrow in the show. And we got our friends from Greece. I'm from Rhodes in Greece. There we go. We're all over the world. People are here. There we go. We've got our cash giveaway. We've got 2 cash giveaways tomorrow. If you're not in, there are 2. One, if you are a subscriber on Twitch, it's free using Amazon Prime. Just turn Amazon Prime Gaming on. There's the Twitch cash giveaway. And if you want to be in our weekly draw, we do it every single Friday. I give away the money I make in the video. Here is how you can be in our weekly draw. Let me give you the link. Here it is. And we've got some Apple stocks to give away as well. Here's my email newsletter. It tells you what video to watch, normally a 1 or 2 minute video. Leave a comment and you can be in the draw. There's our weekly newsletter. When you click on that link, it will bring you to this link here, the all links page. You put your email in just here, and then you've got to verify your email. The email will always go into your junk folder because it contains the word cash prize draw. Here's the email you're looking for, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. Links below. All the videos also in the About section. Once you've verified it, make sure that you've verified it by checking your junk folder. It comes out 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT every single Sunday. So if you've not got it within a minute or so of that time, it's because you've not verified. Verify again. You can keep doing it until you receive it. And that will give you the cash prize draw video every single week. It's free to enter, free for all. Ford is about to break resistance. Churchy loves Ford. There we go. Should we have a quick look at it for Churchy? Let's have a look at it. Ford. Ford Motor Company. Here we go. I'm down 2% at the moment. I've got a very small position. Some of these were Churchy's stocks. Some of them were my own. If you remember, he gave me some for doing something. I can't remember what I did now, but I must have done something. Anyway, down very slightly. Pays a little dividend as well at December the 1st, pending $1.50. Whee! But that is all going to go into my cash funds. It's not. I'm not buying into the stocks as the prices are all going up. Seems pretty pointless, right? Okay. 200-day moving average, about to pass it. Good. We're glad to hear that, Church. What's your tax burden to, Church, when you sell? Yes, that's always another thing to consider. Live off the dividends if you can. I know that's easier said than done. Live off the dividends when you only earn a couple of bucks a year. I don't know. But it is what it is. I think we're going to knock the show on the head right there. Absolutely, he says. Yeah, he's fully aware of that. Ford, S&P, Virgin Galactic, Vorb. Right, I'm going to end the show there. I will see you all back for the closing bell this afternoon. It's a special one. Oh, I'm going to give you this again. If anybody is in the United States, we're giving away some Apple and Tesla shares today. You can get them for free by setting up your account. There's my Robinhood. Oh, in fact, I'll just give you this. I've got a proper Robinhood thing, haven't I? Here we go. Here's the Robinhood giveaway. You need to be in the US and you need to not already have a Robinhood account. If you do, obviously it won't work. All right. So, guys, I would like to start going live braiding. Start going live braiding my hair. Who will be watching? So, guys, I'd like to start... Oh, what? Going live now? Hey! What, you going live right now? Right. Hang on a minute. Let me end the poll. Flipping out. I was going to do a... okay, then here we go. In fact, we don't need to do a poll. We don't need to do a poll. I know, you know I will. Right. We'll just do it. So, Queen of Self Braiding. Let me go onto the homepage of the YouTube channel. If you are a silver member, you go on the homepage of the YouTube channel. Gold goes to the top. That's that they gain the most. The Queen of Self Braiding is down here. Let's have a look. There she is. She's got 328 subscribers now. So here is the... have you already scheduled a live? No, you haven't. If you schedule a live, then you'll get everyone to... everyone will see your live feed. If you've not scheduled it, I can't share the lot. I can't share the events. You've not created an event. But what I will do though is I'll give everybody here the YouTube channel. There you go. There's Queen. She's going to go live in a minute at the end of my show. So I will end my show now just so the Queen can go live. There's the link. Everyone's got it. Right. Can someone say roll the credits? And I will do that. I will send everyone to the Queen. See you later. Taking kids. Portreif. Oh, Andrew Grady. Going. Oh, Portreif fish and chips. I love it down there. The old Portreif fish and chips. I love it. Thanks, thanks, Martin. Thanks all. You know I will. Says Churchy. Landlord just asked me to call her. See you guys soon. Okay, mate. Roll the credits. Country Bear says roll the credits on TikTok. Okay, let's roll the credits. So there you go. You've all got the link for Queen of Self Braiding. Let me have a look then. Roll the credits. Roll the credits. Roll the credits. Let's do it. Let's bring in the music. Let's see you did what today. And let's roll the credits. That's it from me. I'll be back this afternoon for the closing bell. And there we go. Let's have a quick look. Super chat. Mark Corn. Followers on Twitch today. This is brilliant. We got a lot of new stuff today. That's the best credits we've had for a while. So in this, if you do anything, oh, not now. You're not gonna stream now. Okay then. I thought you were streaming now. You just said you were going to stream now. Oh, what's going on? You said, shall I stream now? Now you're not. You're confusing me. What's going on? It will be a scheduled event. Oh, I see. Well, do it now then, because everyone's going to come and watch you right now. I just promoted it. What are you on about? I just promoted it, and now you're not doing it. Oh, my gosh. Anyway, super chats. Thank you, Mark Corn, for your super chat. Followers, Andrew Grady, Monk Chubbs, thank you for your followers. That's over there on Twitch. Hopefully you subscribe to me as well. So you will be in the free prize draw tomorrow. Who else? What else happened today? We also had subscriptions, Mark Chubbs, and our member. We got a gold member today. That's Running Diary became a gold member live in the show. It's not today. Oh, okay. Well, that's confusing. I thought it was today. I'm telling everyone to subscribe to you. Well, we'll do it another day then. I just want to let you know. All right then. Well, you've let us know. Now we all know. Bloody hell, Queen. Trying to send everybody to your channel. What are you doing? All right. Okay, that's it. We'll promote it again then. So now you're going to get it promoted twice, right? That's a bit naughty, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to get off. I'll see you all back for the closing bell later on, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day. How many people are still watching? 126 came through the stream, getting a bit better. 5,570 subscribers and 22 watching still. You're still watching me. I can't believe you're still watching me. I should run another ad. Shouldn't I? All right. Okay. See you all back in a bit. Have a wonderful afternoon. Join us for the closing bell. We are celebrating a group of ladies' their birthdays. So it should be fun. All right? In the meantime, take care of yourselves and each other, as always.